Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every day for the opening and closing bell and breaking news throughout the day. Everything you see here is real and genuine. This is my real trades, my real money, all of my real money. Everything I have in the world is here on view. It's the only YouTube channel like it. We know because I watch them all. I'm all the time researching my content. I was actually voted as the world piano man and entertainer. So I learned around the world, touring 195 countries, about people, to bring people together. The most valuable investment you ever make is yourself and the people you surround yourself with. So I've put together a community, and we are very proud to say we're at the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube when it comes to live viewers who are members. Nearly everyone who watches our show is a member, 95%, and we're growing very, very quickly. And we hope to be at 100,000 subscribers within a year, and we only started a year and a half ago, so we're very, very excited about that. This is my actual portfolio, and every day I'm joined by investors and traders all around the world who share with you their positions as well. I'm not an expert. This is not financial advice. I don't have to be. I surround myself with great people. What I do is bring the community together and present it in a way that is clear, concise, simple to read, open, honest, and in front of everyone. I show absolutely everything, even right down to how much money I've got in my personal bank account, which is $1,500, just above the minimum amount to keep my portfolio, so my bank account, from paying any charges. I have no mortgage, I have no car loan, I don't have any debts whatsoever, so now it's time to invest. This is my portfolio. My overall value now you can see is 35,255, but we also add to that my Roth IRA as well in Robinhood, which is 37,664. That brings my total to 37,664. And there we go. I am putting my first $7,000 a year that I earn. I bring about $2,000 in from my YouTube and my gigs that I do after all the bills. And that's what I invest, and the plan is to get to 200,000 by the end of the year. And I put $7,000 in the Roth first because I get a free 1% match. Why would I not? And then the rest goes into my 2023 brokerage, another $7,000. So I've got until April to get my first $7,000 finished. Then I start on the 23, and then I start putting all of it in the brokerage account. The buying power is 227, but I do have 1,819 ready to buy my top stocks should we get a drop today. But we are up on the day, we are up on the week, and year to date we are up. We've been up now 3 weeks in a row, looking nice, nearly 7%, 6.82, nice steady growth. Some of my stocks have exploded, but my overall portfolio has a nice steady curve to it. All right. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. Every morning we run a TikTok competition. The person who gifts me the most, I will follow them back and tag them in my viral posts. Let me go straight over to TikTok now, and you can see it on the screen. Who have we got in TikTok this morning? Welcome to everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Whoever becomes my top gifter today, I will follow back. You can also subscribe to me by hitting the star. See it just there? And you get exclusive content. If you want to be in our cash giveaways, every day, if we hit 100 likes, I give a cash giveaway. It's very, very easy. Just come into YouTube, links in the profile, or type youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. Please be wary if anyone messages you on any platform. It's not me. I don't message anyone. I only ever follow my top gifters, subscribers, and members. Nobody else. And I never send you a message. I only reply to your messages. All right, let's have a look today at the heat map. Let's have a look at my portfolio, see what's moving. And as we can see, Apple, Tesla is looking the greenest at the moment. Amazon, Microsoft looking good, but Tesla is the story of the day. So let's get into our trades and positions. Let's go straight into Tesla. We're up 3.92. I only have 5 shares of Tesla. It's 2% of my portfolio. I would like it to be near 10. I'm waiting for a pullback. I also have money in my Roth IRA as well. So if you look at my Roth, I'll show you. I have a couple more shares in there as well. So 7 in total. I'm up 17% in my Roth, and they're going to be left there forever. That's the idea, at least for 10 years anyway. And my brokerage account, I'm up 21%. I'd like to buy some more. Let's bring all the comments on the screen. I'm in Twitching. Thank you ever so much, Mike, keeping Twitch going. If you're not in Twitch right now, you should open a separate tab and be in Twitch, because the money I get in Twitch, I give away as cash prizes, and every first Friday of the month. So you should be in Twitch at the same time. The home is YouTube. But if you can, keep open Twitch as a separate tab. The money I earn from ad revenue and subscribers, I give away to you in a free cash prize. Now, you can subscribe to me for free using Amazon Prime Gaming. Everyone who has Amazon Prime should be a subscriber of mine on Twitch. And they don't renew it automatically because they're paying for it. How many subscribers do I have? Just 12. So there you go. You can see it on the screen. You have a 1 in 12 chance of winning the cash prize. All you've got to do is use Amazon Prime Gaming to subscribe to me. Hey, who else have we got here? We've got Tio Roll. Welcome to your show. Welcome to the show, indeed. Jason Asbury. Good morning, Jason. How are you? Lovely to have you here. Let me see. We got all the members here today. Yeah, Jason's a member. Everybody is. Let's scroll down. Mike, morning. Flutter Edits. Good morning, Flutter Edits as well. Flutter Edits is a guest of our channel, not a family member yet. We hope to welcome him soon. Family Squad, welcome. One of our top members. PPI and retail sales out. Check the Trading Economics site. Yes, I will. And here we go. Trading Economics site. Let's have a look. Retail sales month on month. There we go. Let's go into it and open it up. So this is the breaking news this morning. Thank you, 22. So let's have a look. It's retail sales in the US declined 1.1% month over month in December 22, following an upwardly revised 1% drop in November, and worse than market forecast of 0.8% decline. Sales at gas stations record the biggest decrease, followed by furniture stores down, motor vehicle dealers down, electronics and appliance stores down, miscellaneous down, and non-store retailers down. In contrast, sales were up 0.3 in building materials and gardening equipment. So retail sales in the US declined. That is what the Fed want. That is what the Fed want to see. I'll zoom in, make it a little bit clearer for you. There you go. You can see it there. So this is exactly what the Fed wanted. We are getting a slowdown in the economy, so it's going to plan. Okay, thank you, 22. Very good. Your suit almost shines better through the side camera. Through the side camera over on TikTok, yes. It's got a little bit of a sheen to it, hasn't it? I'm only wearing this suit at the moment, actually, because it's been cold. So that's the reason for that. Anyway, let's get back to our main position. See how many people we've got in there right now. If you've just tuned in, I noticed we've got 22 just joined us, 13 likes. Everybody smash the like button and click subscribe and ring the bell. There you go. Thank you very much indeed. All right, let's get back to our positions and see our comments. It's amazing how the whales are putting a little money in daily. It seems maybe this is the way the market is going to rise, little at a time. I like it. Steady she goes. Could you please put a heat map link in the chat? I can't find it on the App Store. Max H. Yes, I can actually. Let me see if I can give it to you. Share with friends. Copy. Let me put it in the chat. You want to get this heat map? Let me have a look. I think I can put it in the chat. Here we go. Let's see if it works. That wasn't much, was it? That wasn't much. We need more than that. So let me share that again. Share with friends. Message. Let me send it to myself. If I send it to myself, I can then get the link and send to you. All right, so I'll send to myself. I'll come out of it again. This is for Max H. Bear with us, folks. Taking care of one of the family members right now. So copy. Let's see if this works. The link it gave me didn't do much good. There you go. There you go. I've got it to you. There you go. Jason Asprey, thank you so much indeed for stepping in, but I've done it now. So there we go. It's all done. All right. Okay, I think we're all good. Moving on. And there is the heat map we're talking about. I just sent it to Max H. Got into premium bombs today. If I win the million, I'll buy a mug. Very nice. Morning all, says Mal. Good morning, Mr. Chuck. Top of the morning to you, Jason Fallon. Welcome, Jason Fallon. How are your space shares? Took a bit of a dip, I guess, before close last night. Richard Fryer, let me take a little look. Yep. Down a little bit. I want it to go down though. I want to add some. I've got enough now in my staples. I want to add now to my high risk stocks. It is what the Fed want, walking a tightrope though. If it goes too far, it'll be a recession. Indeed it will. But a recession is a general indicator of the bottom of the market though, right? Remember, the markets are 6 months ahead. Good morning, Martin and the rest of the family of the show. Good morning. Good morning, Ed Nevius. Go check out the stock map. I've done that. I never said buy Tesla. I lied. I got it at 117. I said I'd never buy Tesla. I lied. I got it at 117. There we go. Gotcha. Good morning, Churchy and morning church. There we go. We got all the comments up to date. Fantastic. All right. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And just to bring some clarity into it, this is what we were talking about with the heat map just some moments ago. All right. Any thoughts on Mullen? None whatsoever. It's a scam. It's ridiculous. It's silly. It's gambling. You can make money on it. We've made money on it, but it's just gambling. They make up news to pump the stock, and then the very people that work at the factory dump it as fast as you like. Anyway, Green Day. Let's have a little look. So, recession can be varies severity though. Can't price in the unknown. Indeed you can't, which is why I've got my portfolio here. It's rising steadily. I am just setting buy orders. I've got money on hand, 22. Do you like that? You said keep money on hand. You made a suggestion the other day to me. Keep money on hand and keep adding to it. And that's exactly what I'm doing. I know it only shows 227, but actually it's not. It's actually 1,819. And I deployed some more money yesterday into my Roth IRA. Overall now, look, I'm up 0.98. My Roth, I only started it a month ago. Not even that. I've had a 1% match, and I'm up now $23 on it. Very, very happy. There it is. There's my Roth IRA, and looking pretty good. I'm trying to fill it up to $7,000, which is exactly what I intend to do. So I'll keep doing that until it's full, and then I will start the 2023. And there you go. So my overall position now is 37,000. Doing well, right? Okay. So I've got plenty of cash on hand if we get any drops today. But things are looking good. Bill said he nodded off. Thoughts on Tesla because of the trial. Joel Lim, good morning. I haven't got any thoughts on that, I have to be honest. I haven't been following that story. I am a Tesla bull, but I am not really a Elon Musk fan anymore. He lied too many times. but I am holding Tesla. I am waiting for it to go lower, though. I'm not jumping all over it. I've made profit on it. I've sold it. Let me go to my main position. If you'd like to be in our cash prize giveaway, folks, on Friday, let me know in the chat if you'd like the link to it. Every Friday we do a cash prize giveaway in our newsletter. If you'd like it, let me know and I'll give you the link. It's free to enter, free for all. I have been happier and less stressed not being in the market and focusing on saving. Yes. I don't care what I lose in my IRA. It's a 20-year hold. Yes. Yes, build up the cash balance. View cash as an investment decision rather than just uninvested funds. I agree with that. Don't forget, with Robinhood, I earn 4% on my uninvested cash as well. So way more than any bank account. So I'm earning money just holding cash on Robinhood. So either way, I win. Who sold space 2 months ago? I did. Rebalance. I don't have any FOMO. I have no sadness about that. Of course, if I'd had loads of margin and I kept my position at 2,000 shares, I would be up now by about 2.5 grand, which would be great. Of course it would. But the money would not have been invested in my Roth IRA. I would be paying interest to Robinhood. You know, at the end of the day, and my health and my stress levels would have been higher. Remember, I'm not married to stocks anymore. I don't feel attached to them. They don't care about me. I don't care about them because they're not actually things. The people at the factory are real things. They're real people. What we're doing and the experiences that we have, and if we buy a Tesla, if we buy a Virgin Galactic trip to space, they're real things. The stock price is the stock price. The company is the company. The value is the value. They're all very different things. So I have no passion of not owning a stock and feeling left out. I think it's a very, very important lesson to learn. So I've got no issues at all. I'm very, very happy, in fact. I feel every day my portfolio grows steadily. Remember I said yesterday, I thought, flipping heck, how come my portfolio hasn't gone up anymore? It's like, Virgin Galactic's up 30%, 36%, Virgin Orbit 15%, Rivian 4%, Tesla 21%. The reason for that is 50% of my portfolio is in the S&P 500. That is why. So that's only up 2 1/3. But I like it that way. Got some great dividends coming my way very soon. It provides me with a very stable, steady portfolio. And as long as I'm growing, moving up steadily, 10 times as much as my money is in the bank, plus the matches I don't get from putting money in the bank, then I am happy. I only want to get to 200,000. That's my only goal. 4% is better than 1%, exactly. Wholesale prices fell 0.5 in December, much more than expected. Anyone wonder that even if inflation goes down, most businesses won't adjust their prices? I don't believe inflation ever goes back down. It's a very good comment, that. Yes, Martin, I like your way of thinking. Thank you, Ed. I think the only thing that really matters is your happiness, right? And your health. Without that, it doesn't matter how much money you've got or not got. And steady growth, happiness and health will always be the best outcome. Because at the end of the day, you can't take it with you anyway. So let's go over to TikTok now. And let's see, we have a little battle every morning to see who our top TikToker is. And whoever follows me the most, gives me the most love, taps the most likes, I will follow you back and tag you in my viral post. I have 31,500 followers on TikTok. We're on target for 100,000 followers within 6 months at the rate we're going. So if you want to grow your TikTok channel, just become my top gifter. Sometimes it only costs like 1 rose, which is 0.0000001 cent. So it's a little bit of fun, but all you got to do is do a gift, and you can become our top gifter on TikTok. And please be very wary. There are many TikTokers who message you, and they're not me. I don't message and sell anybody anything. All I do is give away cash prizes every day if we get to 100 likes on my channel, and regardless of likes every Friday on YouTube. Don't give away money on TikTok. I can't. And anyway, thoughts on Astra? I've got no investments in Astra at all. My investments are Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit. I am looking at Rocket Labs at the moment, still researching it. Anyway, Ed Nevius says Church. I would deflation. People need to stop spending money and focus on clearing debt. Absolutely right, Church. The government needs to stop spending as well. There you go. These are comments coming in from the Church of Logic. All right, we're coming up to our first commercial break at the moment. So let's go to that right now. Bring everybody up to date. And here we go. So I'll be right back in just 10 seconds from now. Here we go. If you are a YouTube member, you can get this space right now, and you can be in this space as a YouTube member as a sponsor level. I go to 20 platforms a day, 10 hours a day, and you can be in one of these spaces. All right, let's carry on. Now then, we will be looking at Ali Tizro tips later on in the show and seeing, at the moment, I'll just give you a quick update. Of course, Ali Tizro is one of our sponsors as well. This is my position. It won't have changed yet because the position I've got is just cash. I don't think I've opened it yet. I don't know how I missed that one. Yeah, there it is. Coinbase. There it is. And let me just bring it on the screen. You will see. Yeah, it's gone up a tiny bit, but actually it's not really doing anything yet because all I'm doing is holding it in cash. There's a few assets there. There is some Bitcoin there, but essentially it's just sat there in cash. Now, what Ali will tell me to do at the right moment is buy certain crypto assets with my $1,000, and our challenge is to get it to $10,000. That is the challenge. Now, if you've not yet seen the $1,000 to $10,000 challenge. Remember, you can do it, with $10. It doesn't matter. This is the video. It's already had 147 views in 13 hours, which is great. Go and check this out. It's the number one video at the moment on the channel. Go and have a look. The crypto challenge. It's a playlist as well. If you want to go and do it through a playlist, you can. It's the $1,000 to $10,000 playlist. If you look here and you want to help that video grow, there it is, the crypto challenge. Click on view playlist and loop it if you want, and then always use the hashtag LucasLoopers, and you will feature on social media and we can recognize you. All right, okay, let's carry on. Good morning, Ed. I'm looking to add another dividend stock to my portfolio. I'm looking at Persimon. Yield 16.6. Any thoughts? It's UK stocks. I don't know if you can view it. Andrew, I will come back to that in a minute. Remind me and I will have a look. Just want to get some more comments on the screen here. Christopher Marintek, good morning to you. I will try Andrew. Andrew, oh great. Ed's going to do it. Thank you, Ed. Ed's going to have a little look at it. You're going to try to. There we go. Ed Nevius. Good morning. Good morning. Chris, how are you this morning? Right, let's get back to it. And let me get back to the heat map as well. Keep an eye on what's moving. Portfolio looking very nice indeed. Over there on TikTok, how you doing? Who's our top gifter this morning? Is it Bill? I don't think robot. I'm not a robot. I'm not a robot at all. Don't make silly comments like that. I'm a real person, the most honest, real, genuine person on YouTube and TikTok. I share everything with everyone, speak to everyone, answer everyone, show you my bank account, my money I've got. I give away money all the time. I'm here to help people. We've raised over $1 million for our charities. I'm here. Please be very careful. There are many scammers on TikTok. They're not me. You can tell who's not me. 1, I'm always live. 2, I answer all your questions. And 3, I never comment. I never send you messages. I only ever reply, and I only ever follow my top gifters on here. And it looks like Bill is number 1 at the moment, and my subscribers and members. I don't follow anybody else. I don't do follow for follow. I don't do any of that stuff at all. Right, over on Live Stream Cafe this morning, welcome to our guests. Thank you very much indeed. If we get any comments from LSC, we'll always share it on the screen. Here it is. There we go. Let's make some money, says Christopher Marintet over there on Live Stream Cafe. Got my own logo. Look at that. I like it. Let's scroll down. We're up today. Another 0.5%. Looking good. Look at it. Look. Day, week. The month is still down. But, you know, we were down 22%. So, 9. We're getting, once we get this curve at the left down, we'll be up on the month as well. 3 months, look. Long way to go. But look at the year to date. That's what's important. Year to date, over 7% now. 7%. Steady growth since the beginning of the year. Nothing too risky. Sensible investing. Steady growth. I'm up 7%. My portfolio is up $2,300. Very nice indeed year to date. I am very, very happy with that. Very, very happy with that indeed. Yes, the retail sales figures. Good. Everything is down, which means we're heading very close to a recession, which depicts the bottom of the market, and also proves that the Fed is getting its way. Things are going to plan. So this is all good news today, folks. All good news. Let me just bring it in focus again. If you didn't see it earlier, this is what we're talking about. Retail sales in the US declined again 1.1% month over month in December. All right, so this is good. In fact, what I'll do, I'll take this moment to make this video, which I can use later. Okay, 26 minutes. Retail sales. Whoops, retail. Oh my gosh, I can't spell retail. What's going on? Right, let me bring this up to date so that's more accurate. Okay, it's 27 minutes, not 26. Okay. All right, so let's have a look at it a minute. US retail sales. So, let's go on to here a minute. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Great news today for the markets. The Fed is winning the war. Let's go into the details. But before I do, you got to earn those details. You got to smash that like button. And you've also got to click to subscribe and ring the bell as I go live 10 hours a day, more than anyone on YouTube, bringing you the breaking news, honesty, and openness on what's going on. So let's get straight into it. US retail sales. These are the figures we're looking at. Retail sales in the US declined 1.1% month over month in December of 2022, following an upwardly revised 1% drop in November and worse than market forecasts of 0.8% decline. Sales at gas stations recorded the biggest decrease, down 4.6%, followed by furniture stores down 2.5%, motor vehicle dealers down 1.2%, electronics and appliances down 1.1%, miscellaneous down 1.1%, and non-store retailers down 1.1%. In contrast, sales were up slightly, 0.3% in building materials and garden equipment stores, 0.3%, and sporting goods, musical instruments and booksellers, 0.1%. Sales of food and beverages stores were flat. Now, why this is important for the economy is this is what the Fed have been trying to do to bring down inflation, cool down the markets, and it's working. This is a great sign. The markets are up today. Remember, we are walking a tightrope, though. We could enter a recession, but a recession would indicate the bottom of the market. And remember, the markets are 6 months ahead of the economy. What this shows us is exactly as we predicted. The bottom is nearly in, if not. If it may even be in now, nobody really knows, because if we look at my portfolio, I'm actually up now on the week. I am up year to date. Look, up 3 weeks in a row, over 7% now. We won't know we were at the bottom for 6 months. and we'll look back and go, that was the bottom. No one knows when the bottom is. And remember, it doesn't matter. You don't have to buy the bottom. Of course, we all want to buy the bottom, but the reality is no one ever knows until we look back and then suddenly everyone declares they knew when it was the bottom. The fact of the matter is nobody knows. However, the markets have been up now consistently for 3 weeks. Inflation has certainly peaked. The economy is cooling down, and that's what the Fed were trying to achieve. They've achieved it. What it means is rate hikes will continue, but they'll probably drop to 0.25. So the rate of interest is still going up, but the rate it's going up is slowing. What that means is the Fed might overdo it. They might have to pull back quicker. So we might have another month or two of rate hikes, and then we might get a pivot or even a U-turn. Remember, a pivot is just slowing down the rate hikes. If we're doing 0.5, we're now 0.25. That's a pivot. A U-turn is when we start bringing down the rates. We're still increasing the rates, but I think the recovery is just around the corner. It's why my portfolio is growing steadily. I've got money on hand to buy more. There's my cash on hand. I've got $1,800 to buy the best companies that I want to own when they dip. I've also got money going to my Roth IRA as well. That's continually going. I'm maxing out that first because I get the 1% match. And so my entire worth in the entire world is $35,247 plus my Roth, which brings me up to $37,000. The only other money I have is my $1,500 in the bank account to keep my daily limit above the bank charges, and $1,500 in my savings account, again, to keep me above the charges. Everything else is here. The only money that I have in the world that is not on display is my $1,000 to $10,000 challenge. If you click up here, we're doing a crypto challenge, how you can get from $1,000 to $10,000. This is our crypto, all in cash right now, and it will be deployed in certain assets along the way. And the only other thing I can share with you, which is everything, I've got nothing else to share, is my Bitcoin, which is in my ledger, which is there. So that's my entire wealth. There's no money under the bed. That is it. All for you. So that's what I think. I think the economy is approaching a bottom, looking nice. We've got the figures there. We can see what's going on in the economy. Does appear that the Fed are winning the battle. We can see what's going on. It's all looking good. And there you go. What do you think? Has the market bottomed? Are we close to a bottom? I think we are. And even if we're not, it doesn't matter. Not trying to time the market, beat the market, or be better than anyone else. All we want to do is make some money and grow steadily. There you go. So if you want to join another live show, click up here. We're live all the time. This video is made during a live show. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. A quick ticker for that, a quick thumbnail for that, sorry. There we go. Okay, it's just gone 8 o'clock, so we've just gone past the hour, so we need to do a quick commercial break at the minute. Hang on, I can bring this up. Okay. All right. So let's go to a quick commercial break. Bring everybody up to date. If you see an ad, you can just skip it, and that'll be fine. All right. Let's go. Here we go. If you are a YouTube member and a sponsor, you can be in this space. Just like Ali Tizro, one of our sponsors, he can get his commercial in this break. He's got a $1,000 to $10,000 challenge. This is his Discord. You can go and check it out, and it's a premium service. And if you go and check it out, you can be in that challenge. Of course, the links are below every one of my videos as well. So if you want the link to Ali Tizro's tips, they are below my video. If you want to go directly there, there's the link for Ali Tizro's actual Discord in the chat for you. There you go. All right. But if you want to go through my server, you get a 50% discount as well. So there you go. Oh, good stuff. No bottom yet. Agree, Church. What's up, pal? Go United. At least one final leg down before the bottom is in. Okie dokie. Well, we are very happy to see it go up like this steadily, but we're also ready to buy the bottom, the dip as well. Yeah, correction looming in February or March. Can you look at RICK and some decent cash flow and earnings? Caden Youngquist, I happily do that for you. RICK. Rick, I like it. Let's have a quick look then. Let's have a little look for you. This is a request for one of our members. If you are a YouTube member, I can search stock, review stock for you. Now, a new feature we started the other day for our members, and it is only for our members, and it's purely for entertainment purposes. If anybody wants me to review a stock and buy shares in any stock, any asset you like, I will. If you want me to do that, if you super chat me the amount you want me to buy of a stock, I will do it. I will make a video. I will promote it. Now my channel is getting some good traction on its videos. It's a good commercial. So if you want to promote a stock, if you believe in something, and you do a super chat and say, right, I'm going to give you $10 and I want you to buy $10 of Binky Bonk, whatever it might be, I'll buy it. I will buy it on the show. I'll make a video on it. I'll put it out. Remember, I only promote stocks if I actually buy them. So if it's something I don't want to buy, but you want me to buy it, if you give me a super chat, I will buy it, review it, and there you go. So if it's something you believe in, we did it the other day for Crag. He enjoyed that. He wanted me to buy a stock. I think it was like $5 or something like that. And he did a $5 super chat, and I bought the stock. Anyway, there you go. So what is this? RCI Hospitality Holdings engages in entertainment and bar operations. It operates through the following segments: nightclubs, bombshells, and other. Bombshells? What's all that about? Let's have a little look. Nightclubs, adult entertainment, nightclubs, and dance clubs. The bombshell segment is involved in restaurant and bar operations with decor and pays homage to all branches of the U.S. military. Interesting. RCI Hospitality. It's been around since 1983. It's based in Houston, Texas. Employs 3,000 plus staff. Market cap of $750 million, 873 million. Let's have a look. Pays a dividend of 0.21. So it's not really a dividend stock. It's more of a growth stock. Let's have a look. It is making money, which is the key to everything right now. It has been declining though the last 3 months, but then everything is coming down in that sector, so that's okay. But that's what the Fed have trying to get to happen, so we can forgive it for that. But it is making money though, which is good. It doesn't have any analyst ratings here on Robinhood, so there you go. There's just a first glance at it. It doesn't jump out and say, buy me, not to me anyway, but there you go. I hope that was of some benefit to you. Oh, hello. Hang on, what we got here? Brickmark, member for 6 months. How times flies when you're investing. Indeed, Brickmark has been a member for 6 months. Congratulations, you've now got your yellow badge. You'll turn gold and red soon. Congratulations to you. Vorb, need this company for the next launch. Way to go, Mark. Excellent. Let's come back to our portfolio. Now then, let's go over to our screen and see where we are, how we're growing today. Let's have a look. People are looking for Virgin Galactic. That is most viewed video at the moment. That's what people are searching for. 6,107 today. We're starting out. Let's see if we can get that up to date. And right now we have 30 watching and 21 likes. Right, if we get to 100 likes, we're giving away a cash prize in our show. So shall we do it right now? Let's bring that up, that screen up to date. Always click the like button. Right, are you ready? Okay, let's see if we can get up to 30 likes right now. 1 minute on the clock. Let's go. I will zoom in and let's see if we can do it. Get to 100 likes by the end of the show as a cash prize giveaway. Smash the like button. There it is. And let's get Mr. Mini Me on the screen. And let's see if we can get to 30 likes. 23. There are 32 watching. Sometimes we have some bots, you never know. And we've got 25. We need at least 30 likes, then we'll be 30% of the way there. Said a whoomp, chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Said a whoomp, chiggy, 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 pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please, stand up, say please, stand up. 26 likes now. 15 seconds to go. Are we going to get any higher? Let's have a little quick look. Mr. Mini Me, 26. 8 seconds to go. Didn't quite make the 30 right now. Never mind. There we go. 26. Whoops. Hang on. What's going on here? There we go. That's better. 27. All right. Pretty good. Pretty good. There's only 35 watching. It's a quiet morning this morning. A little bit quiet, but that's okay. Moving on. PE on CCJ is extremely high. Profit to earnings. The PE ratio on CCJ is extremely high. Price to earnings, sorry, profit to earnings. What am I talking about? Excuse me. Talking nonsense there for a minute. Looking at that again. The S&P 500 up 0.41. Good morning, Mohammed McKine. How are you? Wonderful to see you this morning. I know what you want to look at, and you are one of my gold members. So let's look at Tilray. Tilray today is flat. I'm up nearly 16%. I've got a reasonable position. 29 likes now. When we get to 100, there will be a cash prize giveaway. See if we can get there. Robinhood today is up 1.26. Looking nice. I'm out of that stock at the moment. Got a very small position. Check Ford, please, after. Yes, of course I will. Ford for Church. Ford is up 0.71 now. So if we look at it overall, we're down in the past week, running down there. But over the month, we're up 7%. Not too bad, right? Up 4% over the last 3 months. So it's starting to see some improvement, but over the year that's down 48%. Remember, Ford have a lot of debt, and their EVs don't actually turn a profit, so they're losing money on that at the moment. They have to find ways to make things cheaper or save money. That's where Tesla come in. The overall portfolio is up 35,000. Let's check our overall position now, and let's see the battle over there. Tony Mallion, I think you are in second place today over there on TikTok. Is Bill there? I think Bill is top fan. Is Bill top fan today? Mike is over there. Carlos, hello. Tesla. Not too much funds of Rolls Royce. No, I'm not in Rolls Royce right now. Let's have a look. Who's our top gifter over there on TikTok at the moment? I think it's Bill, and Tony Mallion is just behind. Wonderful to see you, Tony. How are you today? They barely have any on the road yet. That might be the case, but when they sell them, Church, you know and I know, they lose money. Here in Texas, we see Teslas everywhere, all over the place. Ford's debt, again, is good debt. They get write-offs for community projects and government contracts. Yeah, well, I don't like debt, but I know sometimes debt can be useful, but I prefer to have no debt anyway. For me personally. Let's look at the heat map. Look and see what's moving right now. PE is very low, and it shows upside or shoes up. I'm not sure what you mean by shoes. Do you mean shows upside? I think you do. Shows, yes, I got that right. Tesla is hot today. You can see on the heat map, that's what's getting all the attention right now. We are up to down Tesla 4%, doing very, very nicely now. If we look at over the month, it's still down 11%, but over the week we're up 12%. But we always need to pan out and get some perspective. There's the year. It's still down 60%. So, but remember, when it was up here, it was overvalued, okay? So just because we're now moving up doesn't mean to say you should pile on in. I do have 7 shares. I would like to 5 on my main brokerage, another couple on the Roth IRA. I would like to add some more Tesla. I think it's something that belongs in my portfolio at a greater position than 2%. I would certainly like to get it near the sort of the 5 to 10 really, but I'm waiting for a pullback. I'm not just going to jump all over it, but I've got some money in there, not a problem. This is the sort of value I can never have to sell. So I'd like to get a pullback, but that's okay. Mortgage-backed securities take on lots of debt in order to gain leverage. Sometimes debt is not always bad in a company. It depends on how they're using their debt. You're absolutely right. For me, it's completely different. And just a single person on my own, it's a different ballgame altogether. You will call me someday mad. You didn't buy more shares in Ford. I'll have a Mustang when it's all said and done. Very nice church. I look forward to it. Look forward to seeing you drive to New Mexico when we do our day trader convention in your Mustang. That'd be great. You will get a Fiesta at Best Church. Step through. There you go. Buy Rivian now. Buy Rivian now, says Mohammed Kahine. Mohammed, I don't know if you were here earlier. We've got a new feature of our show. It's we've got a couple of things. First of all, we got our crypto challenge. $1,000 to 10,000. It's called our 10x challenge. Here it is. We're starting it. It's a feature on our channel with Ali Tizro. So that's something we're doing. But also, for gentlemen like you, I will, if anybody wants me to buy any stock at all, I will buy it. If you give me a super chat for the amount you want me to buy, I will promote the stock. I will review the stock. I will buy the stock live on air and put it out as a video. So should you want to tip the show, but you want me to actually do something with the money rather than just a tip, it's a new thing, I will do it. So if you say, hey, would you buy Rivian today? I'll give you $50 to buy Rivian. I will, and I'll make a video on me doing it and whatever. Anyway, I wish you all the best, church. Yes, of course, Paul B. Let's hear from some of our traders, actually, that are here today. As I prepare for the next segment, we're just coming up to, in fact, we've just gone past the quarter past the hour. So let's come up to date with a quick commercial break. We need to do that right now. Be right back in 10 seconds from now, and then we'll hear from some of our investors and traders. Be right back in 10 seconds from now. If you are a YouTube member and the sponsor level, you can be in this space. And 20 platforms a day, up to 10 hours a day. A great investment for $99 a month. You can be in this space. There you go. All right, and we're back. So let's bring in some of our members. If you're a YouTube member, you can call in via Discord. Let me open up Discord, by the way. Now then, there were a couple of people who did testimonies for me. Unfortunately, I've had to delete some of the files because I got too many files I had to clean up. So Mike was one of those. If you'd like to, if anybody, including Mike, or anybody at all wants to leave a testimony to the channel, you'd like a little voice clip, please go into Discord. It's open now, and I will record you again. So think about what you might want to say, or you might want to update yourself. You can call into the show right now, and we'll pick you up if you want to do a sound clip. You can do it on camera or just audio. It's entirely up to you. Here are some of our investors, and you too can call in right now. The broadcast lounge is open.
Follow Martyn's The Day Trader. You got to be in it to win it.
Welcome to the Day Trader, Martyn Lucas Channel. It's the most fun you can have doing daily trading, making money and having a laugh with a wonderful family. If you're not there, you're missing out. Join the Day Trader channel on YouTube. See you there.
The best that you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
You should definitely join the Day Trader. Join us, join the family. I'm very excited to be part of this family. We're going to make some money together, and Martyn is the most straight up person I've met so far. No chitter chatter. We just get straight to it.
Best YouTube channel in the world. It's great family, great support all round, not just for Martyn's channel, but for every channel that you guys come and watch. So that's why you need to be part of the Day Trader family.
Martyn Lucas is a wonderful man. He has a wonderful British humor, which I love. This is a real person doing real things with our real family. I've been trading for a long time now, but I have also learned some things from Martyn, as well as he's learned some stuff from other people. And we are all trying to make it to our retirement so that we don't have to work anymore and enjoy life.
Hi, I'm the Queen of Soft Rating. I'd like to welcome new members. And if you know you're a YouTuber, come to the Day Trader show to make your YouTube channel grow. I came to the channel when I had under 100 subscribers, and at the moment, I'm going towards 400. So you're in the right place. Keep watching and supporting the channel.
Hello to the family and the future family members. Izumaki here. I just wanted to say the Day Trader is one of the most honest, 100% open YouTubers around. Martyn's an honest guy and helps us through all the market ups and downs. Don't be shy, say hello, and join the family.
I'm Kurt Wooker Jr., and I am blessed to have been on the Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at CoinGeek.com and GorillaPool.com. It's been a pleasure.
Here on Martyn Lucas Day Trading. Great show, great community. Loving the feels from a local man that is now not local, but soon to be probably local again at some point in his life. Just keep it going, keep getting rich, or at least watching your money and holding your money and saving it for the rainy day, which will come one day.
I enjoy this so much. I'm on a lot of teams, and your content and your energy and your music, I love it. So I'm glad to be here. I love your content. I love your music. I love your broadcast. I'm so happy to be here. So
there you go. So if you want to call in, you can be in the broadcast lounge, and you can. That was Stu Walk, by the way. That spoke a few moments ago from Cornwall. You can update yours or add to yours or whatever. So there you go. If you'd like to do that, if Ali Tizro is calling, of course, as one of our sponsors, he could do a sponsorship commercial as well. So we'd like to catch that. Yes, I miss him. He's a good man. Yeah. Hopefully he'll be back at some point. A lot of people I've noticed have stopped watching the show, those that were losing money. It's very difficult for people. We had some people at the beginning, right at the top of the market, who haven't survived. I don't mean literally survived, but you know what I mean. They're out the market, and they found it difficult. There's a few people that I spoke to personally who've just lost so much money they couldn't stay in the market. Well, for me, I have to be here and go through the down times to come to the good times. I have to be here. It's been difficult, I know, but this is the time to accumulate and invest and bring your averages down. This is how you make your money for the future. You have to go through the pain of it all. Anyway, I'm out of the market. I'm still here. I lost 80% of my net worth. Wow. Yeah. But I think now with those numbers today, I think the next earning season is going to show another down leg. I think we're going to get some more drops. Is why I'm holding to my cash. Bitcoin new highs. Ali Tizro, I'm glad you called in. So Ali, what I want you to do is we just run your commercial. I've been just showing your challenge on the screen about 15 minutes ago. It'd be quite good if you called in the Discord lounge and did a commercial for me. So, hi, I'm Ali Tizro. I'm proud to be a sponsor of the channel. Something like that. Join me on my join me on my server. You can get a discount if you're a member from Martyn's server. So go below his video, go below the video in the description, and you will see a link to Martyn's server, or you can come directly to my server. And that link is also below the in the description. Something like that, Ali. Join us for the challenge. Explain what it is, like a little 20, 25 second little clip. So think about what you want to say. I'm Ali Tizro. I'm proud to be a sponsor. We have a challenge, crypto challenge, 1,000 or whatever it might be. Links are below Martyn's videos, something like that. If you call in, I can record that and put that out and run that throughout the show. And I will run that. That's an additional perk. That's not including your sponsorship, but I will add it. As I've always said, I'm always underselling and over-delivering my services. So I will give that extra to you and run that throughout the day. All right, so there we go. 3 minutes to go before the bell goes. We're getting ready. And anybody else that wants to call in and update their soundbite, or they want to give a shout out to the family or whatever, that would be absolutely awesome. Ali mentioned that Bitcoin is doing well, so let me have a look at my crypto position on my ledger. I'll share with you on the screen right now. There you go, 796, up 2% today, over the week 24%, over the month 28%. Look at that, 176, nearly $800 now. There you go. Microsoft laid off 10,000 workers. That is a lot. You're absolutely right. All right, we're down to the last couple of minutes to go. We've had a look at the overall portfolio. That's what it's doing. Rivian is doing well. Let's look at the heat map. There's the heat map. You can see which businesses are doing well. Tesla's doing very well. What's that little red nugget there? AON down 12.5%. There you go. AON is down 12.5%. The S&P 500, if you want to get that one, that's at a low there. Right, so let's go back to my main portfolio. We've got 2 minutes to go. We're getting ready for the markets to open. Did you see this, pal? Pal, want to know what you think. Anthony Mallion, hi Martyn, what do you think of my margin platform? Anthony Mallion, I've not read it yet. I will try and respond to that later during the day. OTRK trading stop at open 18,000 expected. Good luck everyone. We're coming up to the minute to go. Let's see how the markets react. I've got buy orders ready to pick up the discounts. Are you ready? Let's bring in the clock. Let's get ready to go through our positions and see if anything buys. I've got buy orders all across the board. We could get the markets drop because it means companies are making less money. That's what we want though. But on the other hand, they'll be optimistic that we're reaching the bottom. So there's two parts to this story. Here we go. So you've got bad news is good news, remember. It doesn't mean to say because the economy is slowing down, the markets are going to go down. They know that we're approaching bottom. What it does mean, though, we might get some bad earnings for these companies, but then the next quarter will beat expectations. Remember, the markets are 6 months ahead. So bad news can be good news, all right? So let's just bear that in mind. When stocks are already down, this could be a signal to buy in. So just making that point. Won't keep going down forever. 20 seconds to go. Bill is my top gifter on TikTok this morning. All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're off. And we're off to the races, okay. Let's see how the market reacts to this. If it goes up, I win. I'm fully invested. I've got $3,000 on standby with my Roth and my main brokerage. So if it goes down, I buy some dips. Either way round, I'm prepared. Either way round, I'm happy. 35,000. Let's see what's moving. Let's keep our eye on the heat map as well, so we can see what's really taking off. The S&P 500 is up, just dropping back. Virgin Galactic is going up again. 564. I've got 200 shares of Virgin Galactic. A nice little position. I would like a lot more than that, but never mind. I've got a very small position in my main brokerage, but I do have some more in my Roth for Virgin Orbit. Tesla is still showing the hottest on the chart right now. Rivian is doing well. I've got a decent position for Rivian, actually. Way more than Tesla right now, which is kind of odd. Tesla is still very expensive. Remember, we've got no PE ratio because Rivian make no money, right? Rivian don't make money. They're still losing money. So nothing to show for Rivian yet. However, Tesla is, the PE ratio now is 37. But remember, that's backward thinking. So we could be looking to improve on that next quarter. Hopefully, if it drops, I'll buy. If it does, I'm buying some more. But so far, we're up 2.88. Let's see all the comments, the average contract rate. We've got some breaking news here from our researcher, of course, Churchy. Great content here from Church, as always. People are crazy to buy right now. Lucid, dropping back. I hope the markets go down. I don't want the markets to go up right now. I want to buy some more. But then, at some point you do, right? If you just want to keep the markets going down forever. Tilray is up, smiles all around. Tilray is up. There's 2.31. I sold half my position. I'm still happy to be in it. Still think it's going to go to $40 a share. Tilray. So let's try and put out some content here now as well. So let's have a look. 1 hour. 1 hour. TLRY. Okay, let's have a little look. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Another green day today. We're talking Tilray in this video, though. Here's my position. You can see I'm up today 2.16. I sold half of my position. I took some money off the table. However, I'm up 18% right now. I still believe that Tilray is a $40 stock. The overall markets are up today. Things are looking pretty nice. And the reason for this, there's two sides to the story today. Retail sales came in down again, which means we are very close to a recession, which means we are indicating closer and closer to a bottom. We may even be at a bottom. No one knows. But we are seeing two sides to this. First of all, it's bad for the economy, which means it's good for the markets, right? It means the Fed's winning. It's all about the Fed. You can't fight the Fed. We've learned this over and over again. High-risk stocks are the first to rebound in a situation like this. That is why my Tesla, my Virgin Galactic, Tilray, they're all doing great at the moment. So good. I'm up. I've now sold half. I won't be selling any more of Tilray until it gets to $40, that is. Makes no real sense. I would like to buy some more if it drops. There's no point me selling this because I've only got 243 shares now. I'm going to hold it. And if it goes all the way to $40, of course, I'll sell some. But if it dips back down, I'll be adding to my position. Tilray Brands is a long-term investment. Remember, Tilray Brands is not just about medicinal cannabis. It's the whole Tilray brand. There's many, many products they have under their umbrella. So I still think Tilray Brands is best place in the sector to do well. I will be adding to my position. I am holding it. But on a day like this, when everything is going up today, remember, in the next few weeks, we are going to get the earnings, and we are going to see, I think, some bad earnings. But that is bad, but it means you can buy some stocks on the dip. But it also means that the expectations will come down for the following quarter, when we all predict here pretty much unanimously that's when the bull market will return. Sometime late sort of summer, late spring, we'll start to see the next quarter of earnings do well, and we'll see things bounce back. That's what we're all investing for. That's why we're staying in the markets, but that's why we're also adding and expecting a further drop. If you like this content and you want to follow my show every day, please do smash the like button, and of course, as always, click the subscribe and ring the bell. I really do appreciate it. We go live up to 10 hours a day, and we hope you'll support our channel. If you want to click above my head, somewhere up there, it'll take you to our crypto challenge. We are actually doing the crypto challenge, $1,000 to $10,000. It's a 10x challenge. I'll see you back on another live show. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, Tilray. Okay, Tilray. Back to our main portfolio. Right, we're up now 0.83, 0.87. Very, very nice. Let's go over to the general portfolio and see where we are right now. If we get to 100 likes during the show, we'll do a cash giveaway as well. Once we get to 100 likes, how many people come through the show? Very quiet today. Well, I say quiet. I'm getting used to higher numbers now. 116 at Harper's Day 3 months ago, I would have said was brilliant. Now I'm getting used to it. I shouldn't do that, should I? I should remind myself how we were a small channel once. We're still a small channel, but we're growing every day. Anyway, if you've just tuned in and you smashed the like button, if we get to 100 likes during the show, we will do a cash prize giveaway. So there we go. Click the subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. So we didn't manage to buy anything today, but that's okay. Have patience. Times will come. We want to have money on hand ready to deploy. And let's have a quick look and let's see exactly what I mean. There's the money, look. 227, that's the leftover. I've also got 1800 ready to go. So you can see there, look. It's already placed for my best stocks, the ones I want to own if we get drops, okay, which is in Coca-Cola, J&J, Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, Tesla, stuff like that. And it's ready to pick it up if we do get a drop. Let's read some of these comments from Churchy. 10-year Treasury yield tumbles 3.4% after producer prices decline by more than expected. So we are getting close now to a recession. That's great for the bad for the economy, great for the markets long term. If you're a long-term investor, you want a recession. You want the depression. Remember the 30s, the depression? If you were an investor and you bought all those dips, you are now a Warren Buffett, right? You are now the super rich. If you buy the depression, you buy the recession, then 10 years, 20 years later, you are the super rich. That's how it works. So get ready for that. Fed's Bullard. The Fed wants to guarantee that inflation will remain on a steady path back to target and will not budge, and that's good. This is what we want. It means we're going to keep driving down inflation, keep bringing the economy down. It's bad for the economy, but great for the investor, great for the saver. As insurance, I want federal policy to err on the tighter side, says 22. AIM looks pretty good, Bill. That's never good for the markets, Martin. Of course it is. We want the stocks to go down. Of course it is. It's not good for the market short term. I'm talking long term. I am 53 years of age. I don't need my Roths and my portfolio to mature and be, 100, 200, 300, 400, 1,000% up for another 10 years. I want the markets to go down. Let me have Tesla for $1, please. Let me do it. My semiconductor company doing well, whatever a semiconductor is. We had some fun on that, didn't we, yesterday? Very, very funny. Tighter side means higher rates for longer. Someone like you, Martyn, with limited income, to hope for a recession is not good. Think about real life too. Yeah, but we're here to invest, church, aren't we? Our objective here is to find ways to invest to save money. Thank you very much, Leah. It's to make money. We don't want the market to surge. People that are in it 20 years ago want the market to surge, to retire. We are buying the market. We want to invest. We want the market to drop. Who is our top gifter over there on TikTok this morning? I got a bit of a battle between Tony Mallion and let's have a little look. Let's have a look. Why is that like that? Why is that coming up like that? There we go. Let's go back into here. Let's have a little look. Let's see who's winning. I think Bill. Look, Bill's trying to compete against Tony Mallion. He goes, I'm not having this. I'm a Luca badge owner. I'm a subscriber and everything. So, Wolf of Golf. Did I see Wolf of Golf in the chat there on Tony Mallion? So who's number one then? Number one, Tony Mallion just got the number one gifter badge. He's gone into the lead by 0.000001 cent. There you go. But Tony Mallion has said, I'm not losing this. I've been number one every day. We're 31,000 followers now. Oh, look, hello. Bill's going, no, hang on. Who is it now? Bill's gone number one. Look at this battle right now. Fantastic. We've got a bit of a battle going on TikTok today. If you want to be my top gifter on TikTok, you can see it running right now. Come into TikTok. The links are below my video. Just check them out. And what we do, I follow back my top gifter. And I've got 31,000 followers. So if you want to grow your TikTok channel, just become my top gifter. There's a battle between Bill, number one, and Tony Mallion right now. It costs nothing. It's 0.00001 cent to buy the gifts and stuff. But I like to have a bit of fun on TikTok. It grows our YouTube channel. We've got lots of subscribers from TikTok. And if you want to grow on TikTok, I've got 31,000 followers. Become my top gifter. I'm live 10 hours a day, every day. And I will follow you back. And I will engage with you in my viral posts. It's a way for you to grow your channel, also to support my channel and have a bit of fun. And just be very, very wary if you are watching this video later on today and you are on TikTok. I never message anyone on TikTok. I only reply to your messages. So be very, very aware of all the scammers. You know the difference between me and the scammers. I'm always live. I spell my name correctly. And I do not follow anyone back other than my subscribers. If you click the star, you can be a subscriber. So the little star right there, look, click on the star. Or my members on YouTube. I don't follow anybody else back. There we go. Join us every day live on YouTube and TikTok, multiple platforms around the world. I have a reach now of over 500,000 people across all my platforms. And there we go. There's a bit of fun going on TikTok right now. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, that's a little video for TikTok. Let me just give a quick get rid of the what's it called, ticker. Let's give that a little thumbs up. So watch over here. All right, that'll be a little thumbnail. I'll go out later. All right, hopefully that worked. Okay, bring in the ticker again. Back to the trading position. Thank you very much indeed. That will be a little video by itself. So that was TikTok. And what time did that go out? That was done at 1:10. 1 hour 10. All right. Now then, I've got some really exciting Trago Gaming. It's not laggy on Twitch. You just need to reduce your resolution. I broadcast in 4K. What I suggest you do is the money I get from my subscribers and the money I get from ad revenue, I give away on the first Friday of the month. So be a subscriber on Twitch. It's free using Amazon Prime Gaming. All right. But also, and I'll give you the link. I'll give everyone the link right now. But also keep Twitch open on another tab because the money I earn on Twitch, I give away in the first Friday of the month to you for free. Okay, it costs you absolutely nothing, and it helps grow our YouTube channel as well. If you are getting lag on Twitch, which it does, I can see it bouncing around. Look, right now, see it bouncing around. You just lower the resolution and so on, or just come to YouTube. Yes, the idea is be on YouTube, but keep the tab open on TikTok. Right, Bill is still number one over there on Twitch. Still number one on TikTok. Nice one, Bill. Otherwise, I mind my business and let people walk down a rabbit hole. Only saying this because I care. We know. Martyn needs to have 50,000 or more saved by the time the recession comes. If he realistically wants 200,000 in 10 years. It takes 7 to 12 years to recover if we see something like 2020 or 28 again. Let's read that again. Martyn needs to have 50,000 or more saved by the time the recession comes, if he realistically wants 200,000 in 10 years. It takes 7 to 12 years to recover if we see something like 2020 or 28 again. Thank you, church. Time for an ad break. Ali Tizro. Is he, oh, it is time for a Tizro. It is time for a break. You're absolutely right. Is Churchy calling in, by the way? No one's in. I want you to call in to the broadcast lounge, Ali, and do me a commercial. Did you hear what I said earlier about it? All right, okay. It is time, though, for a commercial break. So, let's have a quick look. Oh my God, it's so much better on here. Trago Gaming, absolutely. We're in 4K. Absolutely, it's right. You just tuned in at the wrong time, though. Not at the moment, maybe later. Okay, Ali, nice. So, anyway, here we go. Time for a commercial break. If you are a YouTube sponsor, you can be in one of these spaces. And it's Ali Tizro's turn again. If you are a YouTube sponsor, you can have this space here. This is Ali Tizro's challenge to from 1,000 to 10,000. You can do smaller amounts, of course. If you look below my video, there is a link to Ali Tizro's Discord channel directly. But if you go to my Discord channel, also a link below in the description, you can get a 15% discount of his premium service. So essentially, you get my membership for free, but it's entirely up to you how you do it. The Discord link is in the chat, and Ali Tizro has just posted it. Go and check it out. And also what we'll do right now is I will share with you, as we will feature this right now. This is what we're talking about. This is extra, Ali. This is not part of your sponsorship. This is extra. I'm going to do for you right now. This is the challenge. Ali gave me $500 as a gift. I matched it, so I've got $1,000. It's just sitting there right now. Not doing much. Not much of a challenge right now, right? Just sitting there. What it's doing right now is we're waiting for Ali to decide when to buy certain assets. And it's all about timing, remember, and I will deploy that cash into certain crypto assets at the time. Now, if you want to get Ali's full information, then you just need to go to my server, which is free. That'll give you a teaser. If you are a YouTube member, you can access that, or you can go, or if you want to go directly to Ali's server yourself, you can do that. It's entirely up to you. All right, now then, tonight, I am so excited. Did everyone watch last night Did everyone last night watch the Dire Straits with me on stage? Did you like it? Did everyone watch it? Leave a comment. Last night I was on stage with Dire Straits. Tonight I have managed to get some footage of me singing with Paul McCartney for Let It Be, lip synced. So you'll hear my voice and see Paul McCartney. This is very, very cool. I'm very, very excited about it. It's tonight's world premiere. It comes out after the closing bell. Here is the world premiere. Go there now. Leave a like, leave a comment. And Lucas AIDS and Lucas Loopers, use the hashtag. Don't just write Lucas Loopers. Use the hashtag. If you put this onto social media, there's the Lucas AIDS one, And here is the Lucas Loopers tag. You need to put the hashtag if you want it to be searched. All right. So it's searchable. Lucas Loopers. There it is. Okay. This is what it looks like. I'm very excited to show you. Look at this. There's Sir Paul McCartney. Do you like the thumbnail? Hopefully you do. There it is. And there is the Let It Be, which premieres tonight. And I've got a wonderful scene from one of my theatres, and I've also got Sir Paul McCartney singing with me. This is really cool. I hope everyone enjoys it. It comes out tonight in the closing bell, right after the closing bell. Hopefully you'll all be there for that. Okay. Portfolio is up, still moving up. Let's see what's going up. The S&P 500 is going up. Very nice indeed. Congratulations, by the way, Ali. He's now at 23 members. He only started with a handful of members a few days ago. So very, very nice indeed. If you didn't see Ali's video last night, which is his first of his playlist, support him. There's the Crypto Challenge. It's now had 147 views in 14 hours. For me, for my channel, that's very good. It's very good. We're doing well. It's getting better all the time. Right. Let's go. We're up 0.76. The markets are reacting very positively to the news today. Virgin Galactic going down. This is what we want, though. This is what we want. I want it to go down. I'm up 33%, which is great, but I would like to get some more. Virgin Orbit. Rivian. Tesla. We want some Tesla as well. Lucid. 828. I'm up 30%. I would like some more. I've got orders placed for those. Apple. We are still out of the money. We're 5% out of the money. All right, so we're still out of the money on that. Let me check my top gifter. Is it still Bill? Yep, it's Bill. Bill is number 1. Tony Malin is number 2. It's fun to watch that. It really is. We're nearly at 4,000 likes now. 31,500 followers. And yeah, Shin Dynasty number 1. Bill is in first place at the moment. All right. So Apple's looking good today. Amazon. Now Amazon, I'm still 2.3 out of the position. I can see Tony Mallion. He's got into the lead now. He's gone into the lead. There we go. He's just knocked Bill off the top spot. Absolutely awesome. Top fan again today on TikTok. Remember, if you're over on TikTok and you become a top gifter, I will follow you back. Tony would strongly recommend, obviously, as you're a fan of the show, if you click the little star up there, look, and become a subscriber, you get many more benefits. I actually record a commercial, put your channel on this screen behind me, record a video, put it on my profile, tag you in it and share it. My subscribers love that. It gets them lots of followers. So consider that. All right. Paul B, which membership is good for MCU? I can't afford the £65 right now. MCU. Manchester United. New here. Someone please help me get in the loop. Javon Smith, we will certainly help you. You've just landed at the most honest, real channel on YouTube. Everything is here, is real. We're here to help people. And our aim is to grow the most honest, the best, not focus on the biggest, the best YouTube channel in the world. Would everybody please welcome our guest in? It's Javon Smith. I've just had an announcement to look at Lucid from church. Yes, I can see it. Doing very, very well. I've only got a very small position of Lucid right now. Would everybody please welcome Javon into the house. Javon, if you put your city and country, everybody will do it. We've got officially the highest engaged channel on YouTube when it comes to live viewers who are members. 95% of our live viewers are members, way more than any other channel on YouTube. So go and consider becoming a member of our channel. All right. Now then, we're here to help you. We have cash prize giveaways every day. If we hit 100 likes, I give a cash prize giveaway. We have a weekly newsletter with a cash prize giveaway. I give away the money I make on Twitch for free. There's many perks. I promote people, put them on the homepage of my YouTube channel. Members on their birthdays get celebrated. You can have a 20-minute fundraiser. I was actually voted as the World Piano Man. This is my TV studio. Hopefully the best live studio on YouTube. Tonight I've got a world premiere of me singing with Sir Paul McCartney. There it is. I'll share with you on the video. There it is. Comes out tonight on my music channel. We'll premiere it tonight in the live show. You'll be here. If you join us, you can be part of the premiere and so on. So there you go. All right. He's from Columbia, South Carolina, USA. Fantastic. Everybody welcome our guest in today. Lovely to have you here, Jason. Thank you very much. I'm actually from Dallas, Texas. My studio is in Texas, even though I'm from the UK, Cornwall in the United Kingdom. But there is my studio. All right. Poll. Who makes the best looking vehicle, Lucid or Rivian? Okay. Members also get polls, and Andrew Grady is a member, so he's asked for a poll. So we'll do it. Who makes the best looking car? That's his question. This is from Andrew Grady. Lucid or Rivian? So the options are Lucid or Rivian. There we go. That's a poll for Andrew Grady. Okay. Now then, what you see here, what we try to do, we have our crypto challenge done by Ali Tizro. So if you are a crypto enthusiast and you want to make money on crypto, we have a $1,000 a 10x challenge, and you'll be assisted by Ali Tizro, who'll do all the charts, the predictions for you, the analysis, and I am following that. We just started it yesterday, so if you want that information, Javan, ask me. If you want stocks and shares, we've got tech analysis guys here and chart readers here, fundamental investors like myself, long-term investors, scalp traders who are all here to help you. If you want to access our free Discord channel, you can speak to all our traders and investors. If you want their exclusive channels, however, you need to be a YouTube member. There's a reason why everybody's a member here. It's not to help. It's not to make me rich. It gives me a little tip, but it helps keep me live. I go live 10 hours a day, and I do that because of the members making it possible. Here is the invitation to join. I've given you Discord. I've given you the invitation to join. If you want our weekly newsletter, just ask me, and I'll give you the link to that where you can be in our free prize draw as well. All right, Tesla's bouncing back. My overall portfolio is now up 0.8. This is phenomenal, guys. Tony Malley is still number one on TikTok. Congratulations to you, Tony Malley. Bill is trying to compete back. It's a backwards and forwards game right now. Awesome stuff. Oh, we'll do that later. Great. Well, I look forward to that. Let me know when you've done it, and I'll make a video for you. Put your channel on the screen, and that'll be good. I will talk to you on DM Church. Easy choice. Ha ha, says Jason Asbury. I know, I thought that when he said it. That poll is closer than I expected. I thought it was going to be 100% Lucid. I thought it was an obvious thing. I guess if you like trucks, if you like boxy trucks, then it's a no-brainer for you, right? I mean, you know, you're just going to go Rivian, right? Whereas if you want sleek sports car, then you're going to go Lucid. They're different. It's like going, what's the best, Ferrari or a tractor? Well, if you're a farmer and you like heavy duty vehicles, you'll go tractor, right? Anyway, we shall see. This is very, very, very good, folks. Are we going to get some massive, great correction? Because we're just up consistently now. Look, we're up consistently. 0.86, look at it, look, every day. Up on the week. Year to date was 7%, it's now 7.4. It's steady. It's not massive gains, not massive growth. Can we look at Shiba on the week? Can we look at Shiba on the week? Yes, we can, Ali Tizro. You want to look at Shiba on the week? Would you suggest I go to Coinbase for that? Let me have a look. Shiba on the week. So what do I need to do? Go into home. I guess trade Shiba. There we go. And request here Shiba on the week. There you go. Up 40% on the week. Let's try Coinbase. There we go. Up 40% on the week. I like the fact that Ali's challenge, he hasn't yet bought anything. There are people who would have been buying all this. It's going up and up and up and up. Of course, you don't buy a pump, you buy a drop. And but of course, if this is going to go on forever, then of course you do want to buy this. But I like the fact that Ali is not just getting my $1,000 and buying. It must be very hard to resist right now. But I like it. It shows that he's got discipline and structure, and my $1,000 hopefully is in good hands. So I'm excited about that. Anyway, let's go over to my portfolio and see where we are now. We're doing exceptionally well, folks. 7.5% now over the year to date. The week, look, is up 4 point. It's just going up and up and up. Look at this. Look at this. My overall portfolio now is worth 37.8. We might get back to that 40,000 position. I'd love to see that. I really, really would. Really, really good. So anyway, now then, you should see in today's video, I'm just looking, can anybody see on the screen, can anyone see on the screen, it should say this video contains paid content. Can anybody see that? I don't see it because it's my channel, but you should see that. Wow, we're doing well now. DKNG. If you look at the candle, let's have a look. Let's read these comments. If you look at the candle chart on SPY from the start of the year, you can draw a straight line touching every high on the way down. We are right on that line now. Okay, 22. So we want to break the line, don't we? To set a new support. That's what we're talking about. I'd be careful with Shiba. If 90% of that crap disappear from crypto, as expected, it will it'll be the first to go. Yep. Remember, I'm no more bullish than crypto than I was before. It's just for entertainment, and Ali is the one doing my portfolio. Remember, I've always said, and anyone will tell you this, I've always surrounded myself with the best people. Best people. I do not need to be an expert in anything. I'm an expert, if you call me that, in bringing a community, production, and a show, and the atmosphere, entertaining, and bringing the production together. I surround myself with great chart readers, great technical guys, crypto guys and girls, of course, and I'm here I just surround myself by great people. I don't have to be an expert in anything. I have to surround myself with experts. Show Virgin. I will show Virgin. If you are a YouTube member, I will feature it and go into it in detail. It's a perk of my members. Otherwise, I will come to it when I come to it. If you are a YouTube member, I will answer your questions, feature you. You get access to Discord, celebrate your birthdays. I will, all those other wonderful things, polls in the chats, review stock, buy stocks you want me to buy, whatever you like. But anyway, Rio is the best stock I've seen in 2022. No one is a crypto expert, says Church. Ed Nevius, can you peak 55 million traded low float? Plenty of opportunities today, says Ed. Show Virgin, says Max H. Max H is a member, so there we go. I'll jump straight into it for Max H. There we go. SPCE, Virgin Galactic. Down 2.24. See what I mean? Even though I'm down on Virgin today, my overall portfolio is consistently up. That's what's called a balanced portfolio. So I'm able to buy the dips in something and it doesn't even affect my portfolio. That's what we want. Look at Virgin Galactic's going down. I've got 1,000% today. Sorry, $1,000 in it, but my overall portfolio is up over 1% now. That's a balanced portfolio, guys. Up nearly 2.5% now on the S&P. Light. When regulation comes, SEC will dive deeper into crypto than they are now. I can't wait for legalization to come. I agree with you. Dang, the Twitch side is still buggy looking. Lights F, you've just got to lower the resolution. I keep explaining this. I broadcast in 4K. All you've got to do is lower the resolution. If you're watching me on Twitch, lower the resolution and it works perfectly. YouTube is far better, but I use Twitch to help promote my channel, but also to give you cash prize giveaways. If you're a subscriber, it's free using Amazon Prime. Now, some of you have let it go, your subscriptions. You shouldn't. Renew it. Amazon Prime does not do it automatically. Why would they? They're paying your bill. So here is a Twitch link. Make sure everyone has subscribed to Twitch using Amazon Prime. Mike, change the resolution options, Martin, I think. That's right. Just lower the resolution. Only says 1400. You have options to lower it. Anyway, YouTube is the home of the channel. Just let it run in the background on another tab. That way, it generates income for you guys because I give it to you as cash prize giveaways, all right? Tesla. Lucid. Nice. Apple. We're still out of the money. Amazon is where we start making our money. That's where we're making money today. Amazon. And we should be in Amazon. Trago facing, is that Trago Mills? Trago Mills. On Pirate FM, we love Trago Mills. So if you're over there on Twitch, just lower the resolution, guys. I can see the issues. They just cannot take the quality of broadcast that I send out. And I'm not going to lower it on YouTube just to do that. It'd be silly, right? Okay. Looking very nice indeed. Now then, we're going to try and get to 50 likes right now. You ready? Then we'll be halfway there. If we get to 60, 100 likes during the show, I'm giving away a cash prize for free. Okay? For free. Free to enter, free for all. You ready? Let's put a 1 minute on the clock. I want to get to 50 likes in 1 minute. We're at 38. Are you ready? Here we go. Smash the like button. Smash the like. And here we go. 39 likes. Let's get there in 1 minute. 39. Let's get to 50. We've got 44 watching right now. So 50 sounds impossible, but it's not, because some people have already liked, and now we got some new people. So if we get to 100 likes by the end of the show, we're giving away a cash prize. We're at 38 likes now. Smash the like. $39, $40, jiggy, 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 pow, pow. Here we go. Come on, 41. There we go. Some of you forget to like the video. I have no idea what's wrong with you. I have no idea what's wrong with you. There we go, 42. Very, very nice. We didn't make 50, but that's okay. We're moving towards it. We're 42% now to our cash prize giveaway. At 50 likes, we give away a cash prize. I've just got some breaking news here on my portfolio. Oh no, it's just about my just about my deposit has arrived. I thought, I've just got a sale. I've just got a buy. PLTR doing good. 1.12 now, looking even better. All right. Okay. Here we go. The S&P is moving up. Let me share with you. Virgin Galactic, keep on going down. Let me get some more. Let me get some more. Now you might say, why don't you sell? No, I would sell if I had 2,000 shares of Virgin Galactic right now and I was up 33%, I would sell half. Absolutely. I only have 200. Now you go, yeah, but you're up 270%. I don't know if Virgin Galactic is going to turn around and go up again. So I want to be in it, but I want to buy more if it goes down. I can't predict it. I don't know what's going to happen with Virgin Galactic right now, so I'm not going to suddenly dump it and go, well, I'm up 32%. I don't know. There's no way I can know. I would take profit right now, says Church. I would sell space. I mean, yeah, 268%. $268 is nothing. 32% is very, very nice. I absolutely agree with you. Remember, I will pay 20% of tax, though, as a short-term gain. Can we look at Coinbase? We certainly can. We certainly can. What do you want to know? What do you want to know on Coinbase? I'm looking at Coinbase. What do you want to know? My $1,000 is now up to 1,013, by the way. So I'm making money on something. I think I'm making it on Bitcoin. I think that's what's making me a little bit of profit right now. Yeah, it's up $12. So I think that's what it is. Stock. Can we look at stock? Is stock as a crypto asset? Just to confirm what you mean, Ali. Is stock is STOCK? Is that an actual thing? Sorry, I'm ignorant on that one. Is there Coinbase stock? Oh, you want to look at Coinbase stock on Robinhood? Okay. I wonder what you were talking about then for a minute. Yes, of course I can. Let me duplicate this. Coin. Okay. This is one of the assets in my Roth IRA. You remember, I actually bought one. This is, I've got nothing in my brokerage account, but if I go to my Roth IRA, I would sell Orbit too. You made your $400 back. Get out of it. Let's have a look. Roth IRA. Let's have a look. So here we go. Go back to my Roth. In my Roth, I have one single share. Oh my gosh. Ali Tizro. So Coinbase. I'm up 62%. Look at that. That one share that Ali said, Ali gifted me and said, buy a share of Coinbase. I've held it. Because it's in my Roth IRA, I'm holding it long term. I'm up 61% on it. That's good, isn't it? On one share. One share, I've made $21. We are overweight like crazy. I can't watch anymore. What can't you watch? Is Robinhood in the UK yet? You made $400. You can't watch anymore. We are overweight like crazy. Love you all long time. Love you long time, says 22. What on earth are you on about, Church? Why are you saying that you can't watch and I'm overweight? What do you mean overweight? I've got one stock. What do you mean I'm overweight? My portfolio is... How can I be overweight? Are you talking about Virgin Galactic? I only have 200 shares. I've only got... What do you mean? How can I be overweight? It's 3% of my portfolio. Virgin Galactic is 3.26% of my portfolio. How can that possibly be overweight? Virgin Orbit is 0.5%. You holding 32% profit? Yeah. Yeah. Well, I don't see Virgin Galactic topping out at $5. I still believe it's $100 stock when we fly regularly, not because the company's valued $100, because of the way it will trade. The trading values, the trading price is very different than the actual value. Anyway. So what? Are you saying you will sell everything that's 30% up, regardless? My friends who are investors are up 1,000% on many of their stocks. 30% is great. Don't get me wrong. I'll take it all day long. But I mean, you could just. I mean, that is a strategy. You could say, I'm going to sell everything that goes up 30%. Regardless, I'm selling it at 30%. And that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. Orbit, you made your money back last week. You said that this was not a company you want your money in anymore. No, I don't like the presentation. But however, since I said that, they came back and said something very interesting. They said they're going to fly very soon. Again, so the price is down. So I think, and I might be wrong, it's why I only have like 0.5% of my portfolio in it, that they're going to fly sooner than later, and the stock will pop back up again. So when it went all the way back down, I bought some. So I have a very small position. High risk stock should still be part of your portfolio. For anyone saying that I am overweighted and I'm taking way too big a risks, hello, pay attention. 50% of my portfolio is the S&P 500. How the heck can I be overweighted on high risk assets? I mean, I doubt many people are 50% on the S&P 500. That's the most conservative safe stock you can own. When is the next space launch from Cornwall? There is no confirmation of that. None whatsoever. People will say there is, but they do not. There is none. Okay? There is no confirmation of that at all. Now then, let's have a quick look. Did you all see... so let me end the poll right now. Let me end the poll. It looks like Lucid win. That was obvious. I would have, unless you are just a truck fan and you don't care, you just want a truck. So, not financial advice. I have my bags in these companies that I never sell. Yet on top of those bags, I will buy and sell for the short term. Correct. When there is, will you be there? When there is, well, I might be there because I do visit Cornwall once a year, and I will try and tie it in. I was there last time when Cosmic Girl arrived. I'm going to be in Virgin Galactic in New Mexico for our convention. We're inviting everyone to join me for the Day Trader Convention. In fact, who has an alarming BMI? Who has an alarming BMI is the question from Ali Tizro. Let me just ask this question. Okay, start a poll. Let me ask it. Are you planning on joining me for Day Trader? For Day Trader event 2023. Are you planning on joining me? We had people come from all over the world. I say all over the world. We had people come from obviously the UK, Italy, and parts of Europe, and America. Me and Leah, we came to the Day Trader event 2022. It was great. This year we're doing it in the US. So and we've got people coming from the UK, Ali, and we've got people coming from Italy. Alicia and Patricia, they're coming from Italy. We got Tom who wants to come from England. So, are you planning on joining me for the Day Trader event in the summer of 2023? Yes or no? Are you planning on that? Getting together for the weekend. We had a wonderful party last time, and we're going to do it again this year. Let's see who's thinking or interested in coming. We have got people coming from. We expect people to actually come from different parts of the world. So it's not just US. Let's have a look, see how many people are actually coming or thinking about it. Anyway, stop holding bags that are cheap and can bust open on the way to the garbage can, says Church. Ali, I'm getting more algo, 3.5% down. Auto staking on Coinbase. There you go. So Andrew Grady, are you following Ali Tizro's challenge? Of course, you could do your own thing. Me, I'm not. I'm following it to the letter. I'm following it to the letter. Okay. So anyway, so here we go. We're getting a drop now. The first drop of the morning. Let's see how many. We've got 4 votes in. It looks like one. No, it looks like 3 are coming, 5 are not. There we go. I expect, obviously, the yeses to be a lot lower, of course. I'd be surprised if it was the majority of people were coming. That would be incredible. But anyway, I expect about 20 people this time. Anyway, Virgin Galactic. It's down today. Not going to buy any more at this price. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla. Time to go to a quick commercial break, bring everybody up to date. We've got Day Trader of the Day coming up in a minute as well. So let's get ready for that. Okay. Tesla dropping, trying to come back a little bit. Okay. I'm taking a break, at least sell Orbit. I'm taking a break, at least sell Orbit, after you said last week you wanted out of the stock after hours. I'm not actively paying to follow Ali as I pretty much know what I'm doing, but I wish him all the luck. That's fine, Andrew, of course. Stick to your guns. Says Church. Okay, I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. Okay, if you are a YouTube sponsor, you can be in this space right now. And your ad will be seen across 20 platforms a day, up to 10 hours a day, and links below all the videos. Okay. You can join for a month and check it out. If you don't like, then you can always cancel. That's true. And don't forget, as a YouTube member, Andrew Grady, you can get a 15% discount as well. You can get a 15% discount from being a member, which is nice. And as Ali said, you can always cancel after a month if you don't want it. He's right there. He's absolutely right there. I think, Ali, you will start to, your memberships and more videos that get made for you will promote your venture when we start actually buying the assets. Obviously, at the moment, we're not buying the assets, right? When people can see me share it on the screen, that is when you will start, I'm sure, getting a lot more people. But I mean, the fact that you've already got 23 in the first couple of days, and I think you have 1 or 2 paid members, is phenomenal. You know, because remember, it's not just me, it's your reputation, it's you. You've got to build your community as well outside of all of this, so you can get extra. But once your videos start working, there'll be more. But obviously, I can't make any videos yet because there's nothing much to say. All right? We put the first video out last night. It's done 147 views. There it is. That's Ali's crypto challenge. But as we make more videos and updates, and you see, and particularly if you're successful and you start seeing my portfolio going up, then most certainly, you're going to get people jumping on. So that's obviously what's going to happen. Tesla, Lucid, Apple, Amazon. Look at that. Oh, I'm just down now, 1.25. Very, very close now to... Trago wants to see Bitcoin. Did I miss that comment? I apologize. Let me bring in Bitcoin then. Okay, let me go to my ledger and you can see my Bitcoin position looking very nice. Here is Bitcoin. Let's bring it on the screen. This is my Bitcoin position on my ledger. You can see it's up today 2%, $13 today. And there's my overall position, my all-time position there. Look, up. Let's show you on Robinhood as well. Bitcoin, how it's moving. I don't hold it on Bitcoin. I transferred it. But now we're 24,431, as you can see. Nobody ever listens to me, church. Yes, they do. What are you on about? You've been very down the last few days, churchy. What's going on, mate? You've been very down. This is not like you. You've been quite moody the last few days. What's going on? Dow slowly falling and S&P is flat. Getting there, says nudge it budget. Oh, nudge it budget, move it. I need to call you. You sent me an email. I read it through. I didn't get a chance to reply to you yesterday. I will try and call you today. Let's read some more comments. I have my crypto bags, ADA, ICP, Algo, XRP, and Radix, but I have 1,000 in cash and going to follow you and Martyn's trades in Coinbase for a laugh. There you go. Very, very good indeed. Andrew Grady. For a laugh. I love the way we just use our money as just a laugh, right? It's just a laugh. I'm just gonna risk all my money for a laugh. I mean, bloody hell. Go to the comedy rooms and just get a laugh. Don't put your money on the line for a laugh. Anyway, who's number one on TikTok right now? Tony Mallion, number one. I love it. Right, so then, 30% of you are planning on going to the Day Trader event. That's very, very good. 30% of 14 votes, so that's, about 5? About 5 people, I think, probably. So I'm expecting about 20 this time round. So on the heat map, if we look at the heat map today, Amazon is shining above. Tesla's cooled off somewhat, but Amazon's shining out. Apple is looking good. Tesla's still doing well. J&J is inviting. I want to buy some J&J. That gives me a very good indication of what's going on. So let me look at J&J. Oh, I'm very close, folks, because I want J&J. I'm only up 1%. Now then, I've got orders placed at 168, $2 away. I want to get J&J. I might, because I've got nothing here right now, I might just, because I want more than obviously one share. So we're down on the week. We're down on the month. We're up on the 3 months, but we are falling back. I don't mind buying it now. Look, it's at the bottom of its general trajectory. I don't mind buying it now and then buying some more when it goes lower. So let me have a look. My brokerage, Roth, it's starting to move, so I need to be quite quick on that. I've got 2 in my long-term position. 173. Yes. Buying power. Buy. Yes. Buy. Limit order in my Roth. I like it. Limit price 170.20. Just to make sure. 1. What have I got? I've got 170. So I'll buy 1. I like it. That will lower my average from 170. Yeah. Review the order. 1 share, 170.20. Okay. 170.14. There we go. I've added to my J&J. That's good. I like it. Taking advantage of that drop today. It might go lower. So my Roth IRA is generally spent out, but that's okay. I've lowered my average. Let's now go to my main brokerage account. I've got money there as well. I've got an average of 168, but I haven't got anything anymore. I sold it. But it might go a bit lower. Buy, limit order, limit price, 170.20. 20. Same thing again. 1. Review. It is slightly over my average, but I want to get something on the board. There we go. Done. And I've got now my next one is at 168, and that's the right thing to do. The next thing to do, I want to get it lower. So I did pay slightly more than I've done before, but I didn't have anything. So I wanted to just need to chat. Church, are you upset with me too? No, just need to chat. Okay, good. Ali, have you to take Martyn on Binance or somewhere to get XRP? I think he needs it in your challenge. XRP, Andrew Grady. It's going to be part of it, I believe, and it can be sent to me. So we do have a way to get XRP onto Coinbase. It can be sent, you just can't purchase it. So Ali can send it to me, and then I can send him the cash. So there are ways to put it in our Coinbase portfolio. All right, so there we go. So our Roth, our buying power, that's good. I'm happy with that. So there we go. There's a couple of purchases this morning. And that's good. Now then. Looks like 5 people. Let me end the poll. I just want to say, are you planning on joining me for the Day Trader event 2023? Looks like, yeah. Looks like 6 people. I'm expecting 20 overall, so that's very good. So I'll end the poll there. Thanks for that. Thanks for that, guys. Very, very good. Very good. So Amazon, I'll be there. Very nice. If you were a person that said yes, you'll be there, just put in the chat so I knew who it was. Just if you said yes, you're planning on going, just let me know. So Churchy, me, Leah, Tom, we've now got Alicia and Patricia, they'll be there. Nicky Boy Gaming wants to come. Ali Isles wants to come. I know that for a fact. Plus there's 4 of you here who have not told me yet, and you just said yes, so who are you? J&J apparently is still moving down. Oh yeah, just as I bought it. No, I don't mind. I don't mind the fact that it's gone lower. It doesn't matter. This is a position I want to have. I don't mind. It's trading at the moment at 24 times earnings. For this sector, it's pretty good. There you go. It's pretty good. Great company. Great dividend, by the way. 2.57. Great company. Great history. Strong hold. Strong buy. Solid company. Where is it going to be, Martyn? I'm late. It's going to be, I think, New Mexico. Virgin Galactic. We're going to meet in a hotel or somewhere like that, and it'll be good. Space expectations for next week. I do not have any expectations for next week because there's no evidence and facts. You did say, Alex, about the hotels being booked, but as a non-member, you can't send links and I can't verify that information. If you want to be a member of our channel, here's the invitation to join. And don't forget, as a member, you'll also get discount to our sponsor's service as well, Ali Tizro, for his challenge. Read Andrew's comment before he made a very nice trade. Read Andrew's comment before he made a very nice trade. Let's have a look. Andrew Grady, scroll up. Andrew Grady said, Ali, have to take Martyn to Binance or somewhere to get XRP. I think he needs it for the challenge. Half of it's from Coinbase profits. Anyway, I remember I bought 11 when you did at $35. Oh, I see. You sold your Coinbase. Yeah, I put my single Coinbase is in my Roth IRA, long-term investment. So I'm just leaving it there. Because if crypto is going to be around, which we believe it will, even though I'm not the biggest bull in the world when it comes to crypto. I'm not, and Ali knows that, and everybody knows that. If you're going to buy crypto, for me, Coinbase, if Coinbase is a publicly traded company, and crypto is the future, surely it's an investment for the future. I only have one share right now, I get it. But anyway, let's have a look at the heat map. Amazon still warming up, Apple warming up, Tesla's cooled somewhat. Coinbase is now falling. I could take the profit, couldn't I? I could take the profit, but it's in my Roth IRA. The idea is my Roth I will never sell. That is the idea. I think there's some stipulation. Can anybody confirm that? I need to speak to my accountant, my CPA. What if you sell something in your Roth? I know you can. Does it give you any penalties? Does it do anything? Because the idea is a Roth, it's supposed to be long-term investing. You don't pay tax as long as you keep it for, I believe, 5 years. I think so. I need to check that. I don't know what happens if you sell one of your assets or part of your assets. You can, of course, sell at any point. What happens if you do? I don't know. I need someone to tell me. But we will look into it. When I set it up, the idea was not to be selling it anyway. But maybe you could... someone could confirm that. All right. Tesla going down now. That's what we want. We actually want it to go down because we want to increase our portfolio diversity to its 1.9. I want to get to 5%. So I want to double my position. I want another 5 shares at the very least. So I do like it. I do want to be in it. I've got an average of 112. I don't mind holding it. I don't mind that at all, but I would like to get it lower. Every 30 days I readjust, says Church. You can sell in your portfolio anytime after 30 days hold, but can't withdraw or you'll get hit. Okay, so you can sell in your portfolio anytime after 30 days, but you can't withdraw. Okay, so you're saying I can buy an asset on my Roth, I can sell it after 30 days, and I'm assuming the tax benefit, I won't be charged unless I withdraw the cash. Is that what you're saying? So you leave the cash in your Roth. Is that what you're saying? Because then you can trade that in your Roth. You just leave it there. So technically, if that's correct, I could sell my Coinbase, take some profit, leave it in there, deploy it again, not pay any taxes on it. Is that what you're saying? Shorters are bringing space down. Great. Carry on. But if you buy and sell before 30 days, you'll get hit with fees, but depends on your brokerage. Okay. I will look deeper into that. Thank you for that, Church. Coinbase going down. I don't mind anyway. I don't mind. I've only got one. So anyway. Up 0.53. Looking good. Let's go over to our position now. 195 through the chat. Let's have a look. We're 6,107. We didn't get any subscribers today. We haven't quite got 100 likes. In fact, we're nowhere near. We're at 45 likes. So we haven't quite haven't made. I can't give any money away. Over on TikTok, Tony Mallion is still number 1. Tesla is going to 250 in 4 months. Well, it's just been downgraded. If you've not seen the news, the price target is now downgraded to 198. So Tesla's price target is actually moving down. So let's not get too carried away about Tesla. And there, as I mentioned it, look, it goes down further. So there you go. Who else is going to come to the convention? I had 5 people say they're coming. Our our convention party thing. So I want to know who's actually coming, or planning on coming, or thinking of coming. That's what I mean. Right, J&J. Let me check it. See, we're going in lower. No, it's starting to hit a bottom there. That's good. Okay. Oh, bouncing back up now. Nice. I've got a small position, but J&J is not a cheap stock. It's $170 a share, so it's still $240. It's nearly 1% of my portfolio. It's still nice. Google, I also want to get a position there. That trades at 18 times earnings. Another good value stock you want to own long term. I will tell you, give you some inside information. I can confirm that the CPM rate on YouTube is going up, which means this really is good information on the economy, folks. Big YouTubers are saying, "Oh, my money's going down. Poor me. I only earn $10,000 a video," and all that rubbish. I can tell you now. I'm not allowed to share with you on the screen the actual numbers, but I can tell you 100% my CPM rate on YouTube, which is the cost per thousand, which is what companies that advertise on YouTube are paying to YouTube, which means I earn what I earn, is going up. It's been going consistently up now for 6 months. So I can tell you now, advertisers are spending more money on Google and YouTube. I don't care what anyone tells you, where you read it. I can tell you from the rock face, right? From the flipping ground floor, I'm telling you for a fact, my CPM rate is going up, which means they're paying more, which is great. All right, no question, 100%. This is good. My J&J, look, is going up. I just bought a share in my general account, my brokerage account, and I also bought in my Roth as well. Look, and I added to that. So I've lowered my average. In my Roth, I increased it slightly in my general account because I didn't have any. I only had half a share. So I am quite happy with that at the moment. Let's see if it continues. My Roth, I'm still up overall, $17. We are getting a bit of a pullback, but that's perfectly acceptable. I got $10 in J&J. Love it. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Every dollar counts. If you got $10 and you're up 10%, you're up 10%. Same as the guy with $1 million. 10% is 10%. It doesn't matter how you get there, how much you have. It's not important. This channel is for everybody. Some people have $1 million. Some people have $10. It doesn't matter at all. Being up 10% is 10%. And then you use that money and you make some money. I got 11. I got $11 or 11 shares, says Bonus Fish and Send. Let's have a quick hello to everybody on Live Stream Cafe. How's everybody doing this afternoon? Welcome to all of you. Very nice indeed. Sandra A came in. Hi, says Sandra A. I missed... that's interesting. Of course, I can message Sandra A now, can't I? Yeah, just thought of that. I got 0, says Church. I think it's a great company. I got 0 too. I think it's a great company. You need, for me anyway, to give me, a good feeling, to be happy, secure. I want a good base to my portfolio. I want a good, solid foundation where I can relax, feel happy, feel confident, where I'm growing, where I'm making money. That's what I want. That's what it's all about, right? Now then, we are losing a bit now. We're getting this sell-off now, a little bit. We're still up today. What is going down? Coinbase, the S&P, still doing well, still up 2%. Waiting for bigger drops. Virgin Galactic's being driven down 5%. Space down 5.7% now today. 5.9. I'm not selling it. I'm not taking the profit. I don't care. I'll just add when it gets down, if it gets down. Got a long way to go. What was this morning a bull trap, perhaps? Perhaps. We've had 3 weeks now of it being up consistently. Let's have a little look. Up on the day. Up on the week. Year to date. was 7.25. We lost 1%. Still remember, we're up 6.5% year to date. We've got that 3 months down though, and the 1 month down, but it's getting better. Still pretty good. My portfolio, it might just turn red. We've had green days now, like, I don't know, it's been red one out of four. I say, 4 times, I can't even say it. 4 times red, 4 times green, 1 time red, 4 steps forward, 1 step back. That's what I'm trying to say. You know what I'm trying to say. So, anyway. Rivian. Opportunities now. Oh, nice. Tesla. We've got buy orders on all this stuff. If it goes down lower, we got lots of buy orders in place to pick up cheaper stocks, and that's exactly what we want. We've got money on hand. We've got money in the buying power. Plenty of money. That I'll show you what I've got right now. Over here, you can see it says $57. It's not that at all. It's actually $1,819. That's actually what's available right now to buy. It's already placed. If we get crashes, if we get drops, which we could, earnings season, I think we start with Netflix tomorrow. Earnings season around the corner for these big companies. If they show down, I want to buy all the dips, buy them, and take advantage of all of that. And then in the summer, when expectations will be lowered, they'll beat expectations, and so will the bull market begin. Coinbase returning. S&P returning. I'm green again. Virgin Galactic 529. Average cost 407. Virgin Orbit, Rivian. Not big enough discounts at the moment. Tesla. Look on Ali Tizro's tips on your Discord server. I'm posted my personal ledger. Ali, I couldn't. You need to change the settings on Discord. I couldn't actually comment on anything. If I go, look, I don't know if you can see here. If you can make this amendment, if you can make me either an admin or an owner, whatever you want to do. But look, see, I do not have the permission to comment. I can't comment. I want to comment. I want to jump on in and, promote your videos and whatever. You do not have permission to send messages in this channel. So you can make me an admin or whatever you like. A role, you can create a role. And I can actually done that. All right. Look on Ali Tizro's tips in your Discord server. I've posted my look on your Discord on Ali Tizro tips. Right. Anyway, if you could fix that. If you want me to comment, if you don't want me to comment, it's your server, of course. I'm not going to tell you what to do. If you want me to be able to comment in your server, you need to give me permission to do so. So Ali Tizro's tips. Let's have a little look. I am doing the 7. There we go. I'm doing the 7,000 to 100,000 portfolio on my new ledger. There you go. This is. Let me bring that up for everyone to see. You want me to share this, Ali? Of course I will. There we go. Look at that, look. He's put $7,000. Bloody hell, Ali, where's that money come from? How much money have you got? 6,873. He's put basically $7,000 in. These are the things he's bought, look, at the moment. 2,500 USD coin, XRP, 2,100, Tether, 1,400, Bitcoin, 700. There you go. There's a little bit there, look. Awesome stuff. Going sleep. Nights tonight at Trelisk. Do you work at Trelisk? In Truro? Are you a nurse or a doctor or a porter or whatever you are? What's your position there at the hospital in Trelisk? Love to know. Oh, and Andrew, are you on the health service? I'd love to speak to you for a moment if you've got a chance. I'm a nurse, mate. I do agency shifts there. Right. Well, as a nurse, Andrew, could you just briefly, and if you've got to go, I respect and understand that. But if you've got a moment, we're hearing obviously horror stories on the news here in America that, and we've spoken to friends in the UK in Cornwall that have said people are waiting for ambulances for hours, waiting outside A&E for hours. It's terrible what's going on. As a nurse, what's your experience directly from you, not the news? What is the experience, Andrew? If I call 999 for an ambulance in Cornwall, in the UK, what do you expect? How soon do you reckon it will get to me? And if I need to get into A&E, how soon do you think I'll get into A&E if an ambulance brings me in? Could you share that experience with us? I'd like to know. But anyway, if you're able to do that, or if you've got to run, I understand that. Okay, we got some nice drops. We got some nice drops now. We are looking to buy dips. Yes, a friend had a great attack, and is that a heart attack? Had a heart attack, and she waited 4 hours for an ambulance and waited 19 hours outside A&E. Bloody hell! There you go, directly from a nurse at Treliske Hospital in Cornwall, Truro, England. 4 hours for an ambulance and waited 19 hours outside A&E. I work in pathology in the NHS. The ambulances are waiting to drop patients for 14 plus hours. What the hell? Now, I've always defended the NHS, and I think it's important to, because it's not our nurses' fault. It's not our doctors' faults. I'd imagine they're being overrun. There's too many people using the services. I guess we need more nurses, more doctors, more hospitals, more ambulances, obviously. Less people would help. Let's get rid of half the population. It might help. I don't know. But there's the reality. Wow. I earn double being on agency, so I stay away from the strike going ons. Okay. They need to make medical education cheaper, says Church. Wow, look at that. 2 people actually working in the NHS are giving us their actual opinions there live in the show. Blimey. We understand that no one can afford to live. Doctors, nurses should be able to pay their rent and their mortgages, right? They are saving lives. They are bringing people from sickness to health. Of course, they should have a comfortable living. They should be able to live and pay their bills comfortably. Of course, they should. So why, So of course, they're on strike because they need money, right, to pay the bills. However, there's no money left to pay anyone. Inflation's out of control. If we pay more wages to people that rightly need them, no one can afford their electric bill. Inflation goes up, prices go up. We're back where we started. Obviously, the system isn't working, is it? The system isn't working. If we give everybody pay rises, inflation goes up, we're back to where we started from. There's not a single person who doesn't think that the doctors and nurses deserve more money. However, if we give them more money, the government are more in debt, inflation goes up, everything gets worse, we don't get anywhere. But then we can't not give it to them because they can't afford to pay their bills. And they should be able to pay their bills. They're working hard people. What's going on? It just seems to me we have a no-win situation here. The system seems to be broken. Healthcare system with insurance need to change too. I heard it's similar to America. No, in England, all healthcare is free, Church. Healthcare is free. It's just provided. You just call up a doctor, call up the ambulance, go into a hospital. It's all free for citizens of the United Kingdom. You forgot two Martyn Burses pay the most institute. I don't understand your comment there, Church. Lucy's going down. It's not free. Of course it's free. Of course it's free. It's free in the United Kingdom. Don't tell me. I've lived there all my life. I've been to the doctor. I've been to the hospital. I've never paid a penny. It's free. It's coming out of your taxes. Well, yeah, it's coming out of your taxes, but we don't pay any more taxes than you. In fact, we pay less taxes than you do in the US. So it's not like we're paying more tax. Everyone's got to pay taxes, right? I mean, obviously you got to pay your taxes. But trust me, having lived in the UK all my life and now live in the US is a lot more expensive. My wife's insurance is tens of thousands of dollars. She pays for our healthcare. Tens of thousands. I don't pay tens of thousands in taxes. And not only that, even with insurance, we're paying we're paying money, co-pays and the deductibles and God knows what else. Trust me, it's a lot more expensive in the US than it is in the UK. Of course, you're now going to argue, but in the UK you can't get in. In the US, it's free. You can get in. I mean, what do you want? Expensive and get in, can't afford it, or free in your taxes and you can't get in? I don't know. I've got no answers. I can't answer your question. I can't answer it. It's not free. It's free at the point of entry. We pay national insurance taxes. Yes, we do. We all pay taxes. Jar Life, thank you. Yes, we do. Government ran Medicare. At present, the healthcare system is much cheaper than the US. A lot. I have lived in both countries, paid taxes in both countries, and I am telling you, it's a lot cheaper in the UK. In the UK, anyone can get healthcare. In the US, there are people who can't get nothing. All our tax money goes to the war. In the US, yes, the majority of your taxes is for the military. That's why you have the biggest military in the world. In England, our priority is the healthcare, even though it's not doing great right now. It's our priority. In the US, your priority is military. If it spent less on the military, it would have more for healthcare. I mean, it's just a matter of choice, isn't it? Anyway, there is no choice here. Give tax breaks to allow people to have private healthcare. It would ease the NHS, says Ian Jackson. You need more experience in this field of study. You need more experience in this field of study. What are you on about, church? I'm from England. You're from America. I know more than you about the NHS. I've lived in it all my life. My mum was a healthcare worker. My mum and dad both used the NHS. My dad actually died in hospital of the MRSA bug, by the way. My mum received medical care for years for free in the Republic of Ireland for free for years for her lung condition. Eventually, of course, she died, but she had years of care for free. My dad had regular care until he died. I've used the NHS. I had a simulated heart attack once. I had a reaction to a drug, a medication I was taking, and I received free healthcare. I was picked up with an ambulance, taken to the hospital, taken care of for free. Didn't pay anything. Anyway, we're talking about quality here. The quality of healthcare in the UK when you get to a doctor and a nurse is as good as anywhere in the world. It's a world leader. Anyone in the UK knows it. Anyone around the world knows it. Our healthcare, if you get to a doctor and or a nurse and get treated, you will receive compassion and quality service. Quality service. LOL, he said. That's not funny. That's serious. There's a reason why in COVID, the entire country came out every Thursday and applauded our National Health Service. Our National Health Service, the doctors, the compassion, the nurses, the people that work there do a tremendous job. However, there's not enough doctors and nurses. There's not enough hospitals, obviously. There's not enough money in it, obviously. And there's too many people getting sick right now. That's not their fault, is it? But I won't hear anyone say, and I am the most qualified person in the world to say that, because I could turn around and say, because my dad died of the MRSA bug. My dad basically died of a superbug in a hospital because, and we were told, potentially the surgeon didn't wash his hands correctly. We were told that. In the US, it had been lawsuit. Sue them. $1 million. I didn't, and my family didn't ask once to sue the nurses, the doctors. It happens. In America, they'd have gone nuts over that. They'd have sued the hell out of the doctors. My dad actually received years of fantastic healthcare for free from the nurses and doctors in hospital. One day an accident happened. He got an MRSA bug, essentially potentially from a doctor not cleaning his hands properly. They told us that. And my dad died. So if anyone's going to complain about the NHS, it should be me. And I didn't. I accepted it. My family accepted it. We were sad. Things happen in hospital. Mistakes can happen. And we moved on. We didn't get a penny. We didn't ask for a penny. And in fact, the nurses that treated my dad, because they liked him, he was entertaining, they thought he was quite funny before he died, they came to his funeral. We got great service from our doctors and nurses, and there was no bad feeling or bad will towards them because of a mistake. That would not have happened in the US. We'd have been jumped on by an ambulance chaser, and someone had said, hang on a minute, you can sue the hell out of them. No, we wouldn't do that. Not interested. Not enough care because the government doesn't care. The government doesn't care. Well, I don't agree with that. Pay them, people. Where's the money coming from, church? Where's the money coming from? Got to say, I went to a GP a couple of months ago and he sent me to get an emergency CT scan within 1 hour. I was there 15 minutes and got the result just over 1.5 hours later. I was impressed. There you go. There's an experience of somebody, see, who had a great experience for free on the National Health Service just by paying his taxes. And the taxes is a fraction of what you pay in America, plus he didn't pay anything. In America, you pay more taxes and you pay thousands of dollars for insurance. There you go. See? Private insurance is better even though you pay more. I don't know. The same doctors, same nurses treat you whether you are private or free. You don't get some super duper nurse because you pay for it. You get the same quality of nursing care and doctors whether it's free or not. Don't think you get this some rubbish surgeon just because it's free. You get the same treatment. Anyway, Americans just don't understand the system. NHS says church. That's church's comment, not mine. NHS is overwhelmed. I have gone private. There you go, Ali Tizro. My job is healthcare before I was laid off in 2020. There you go. So you've got some experience there. A doctor suspended and investigated for having indecent images on a laptop under 18 kind at Trelisk. So there's a bad doctor there. Yeah, of course. Bad doctors, bad nurses in all forms of life, in all circles, right? You've got to be mindful of the expenses people have today. I believe I am. You do get better nurses or doctors normally. Sometimes you use NHS as well. You do get better nurses or doctors normally. Sometimes you use NHS as well. There you go. In America, your insurance matters on what care you get. The point of the NHS is to provide health care to those who can't afford private care. There's nothing stopping anyone going private in the UK. If they can afford it, you have a choice. There you go, 22. I was going to say, I've got lots of friends with lots of money who go private all the time. Not only do they relieve the pressure of the NHS, but also they have got the money and they like jumping the queue, and that's fine. They've got the money, they want to do that. Right, my favourite stocks are getting cheaper. Coca-Cola, I've got orders placed. $59. Hey. Coca-Cola, I want to own Coca-Cola. Thank you very much. I've got to buy there. No point buying it yet. Hey, am I going to get some discounts? You have government insurance here called Medicaid. You do, that's true. BTC pump, got some announcement here from Bitcoin. Ali, what do you mean BTC pump? What does that mean? Look, I don't see that. How's BTC pumping? It's down. What are you on about? Ali Tizro, Bitcoin is down 1.85% today. How is BTC pumping? According to Cryptos Are Us and BitBoy, we're all going to $1 million again. Flipping rubbish. It's down today 1.9. Did you mean Bitcoin dump or you said, oh, sorry. I beg your pardon. Apologize. I apologize. I take that back. I apologize. I thought that was pump. It was dump. Bitcoin dump. Whew. Thank you. I apologize, Ali, for getting that wrong. And of course, this is exactly why I've got Ali doing my 1000 10x challenge. Because what we don't want to be doing is what BitBoy and Cryptos Are Us and all those clowns are doing, telling everybody, here we go, it's new things are happening. Ali Tizro is sat on the sidelines waiting for the right time to buy Bitcoin, as I have been doing when it went down to 17 and 16. If you remember, I was doing that. I have not been buying it either, and that doesn't make me clever. That just I don't understand it the way Ali does, but I understand numbers, and I understand paying less is good, paying more on a pump is stupid. So I'm not getting going with the whole YouTube brigade and getting all excited and telling everybody, oh, here we go, we're all about to become gazillionaires, because that is absolutely ridiculous, and I've got no interest in playing that silly game, and I'm not. Just looking at BSV to see what that's doing. Same thing. That's down nearly 3%. But anyway, there we go. NHS is one of the best things about the UK. If a government can look after its citizens, if the government can't look after its citizens, what's the point? I agree. Can't see every doctor. You read my comment wrong. I said dump. I done that, and I would never want anything from the government. It's never good. Okay, church is being, I don't know, very down these last few days. The crypto market just jumped off a cliff. Watch the stocks follow in a minute. Fed additional rate increases are still required. XRP don't have Gala, and in fact, Ali Tizro, can we see your assets in Coinbase? Yes, you can. I love this. I love the fact I'm getting some buy orders come in. Oh, look at this. I might buy all my favorite stocks in a minute. So, yes, Ali, let me just do something a second. I'm going to make you a video. Okay, let me set a clock. Ali, this will be part of your series. You'll like this, Ali. You'll like this. You're going to like this one. 2 hours 36. 2 hour 36. Ali. I'll call it Ali. I'll know what I mean by that. Okay, so let's have a quick look at this. Okay. There we go. So, let's do it now. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Despite what all YouTubers are telling you, it gets so old, it gets so silly. Everyone tells you, BitBoy, Cryptos Are Us, all the big crypto guys. Well, we've now got something to challenge and rival all of that nonsense. Our channel is the most honest, real channel on YouTube, and I challenge anyone to challenge me on that fact. I share with you my bank account, my cash, my real positions, and everything. I am not an expert on anything, but what I am an expert, if I am an expert on anything at all, is bringing a community together. And I surround myself by the best, most honest, real, genuine experts in their fields. That is the secret to any successful channel or business. So, because of that, Bitcoin is the subject of this video. On all the big YouTube channels right now, they're telling everybody we're all going to get rich for free, we're all going to make money for free, and everybody like clowns jump on it again, and they forget how many times they've made wild, harebrained predictions with no basis for that whatsoever. As we see right now, Bitcoin and other crypto is being dumped once again. So I am not a crypto expert. I am not a crypto fan. In fact, I'm not a fan of anything other than my community. Community people come first. I don't live on the blockchain as my BSV crazy people tell me. If it's not on the blockchain, it doesn't count. Your YouTube channel doesn't count if it's not on the blockchain. People don't count if they're not on the blockchain. People are everything. People's sentiment, people's mentality is everything. Everything. So crypto, as predicted, is going lower. Now, we have a challenge, and our crypto guy is called Tizro. He's one of our sponsors. And he doesn't pay me to tell you this is great. He supports the channel and asks me to accept a challenge. I have accepted the challenge. This is the challenge. He's set up with me a portfolio that he predicts will go 10x. He has given me as a gift $500. I've matched it with my $500. It's $1,000. We are together. Well, in fact, I'd say together, he's doing all of it. He's telling me what crypto to buy. Now, unlike all the clowns on the big YouTubers going, buy it now, Bitcoin hit bottom, it's going to go to $1 million. He has told me to wait. He is studying the charts, and he is going to tell me what crypto to buy when it's ready. He predicted that it would go down. I knew it would go down because I am good at one thing, and that is people. I've toured 195 countries as the world piano man. I've been all over the world, and I read people, and I'm here to bring a community together. So I'm not making harebrained predictions of anything whatsoever. What I am doing is offering you the opportunity to get involved in our crypto challenge, whether you have $1,000 or $1. It makes no difference whatsoever. If you are interested, he is a sponsor. He pays $99 a month to be a sponsor on my channel. That just basically supports my live shows. Doesn't get me to promote him at all. In fact, I'll tell you that I don't believe in half the crypto coins he's going to suggest. Why don't I believe in them? Because I don't understand them. That doesn't make them right or wrong, but I do believe crypto should be a part of your portfolio, maybe 5% of your portfolio, just as I believe a lottery ticket should be part of your investing. Right at the top of your triangle, if you think of the triangle is the top of the tree, bottom would be your mortgage and your home and so on, your money in the bank, and then you go up to the S&P 500 and high-risk stocks. Right at the top, 5% would be your crypto, and then right at the top of that would be your lottery ticket. So I do believe that crypto has a place. So if you look up here, that will take you to our 10x challenge, $1,000 to $10,000 challenge. And of course, you can do it with $10 or $1 million. But what you will get if you access Ali's Discord server, the links for my server are below in the description, which will get you a teaser of Ali's and also get you a 15% discount to his premium paid server. Or you can go directly to him if you don't want my 15% discount, and you can go directly to his server, and that is also below in the description of this video. So maybe you want to follow it. All I ask, and I do ask this, is please do not listen to anyone on YouTube that is trying to get you to watch their videos. I never do sad faces unless I am sad. I don't do sad faces to get you to watch and tell you that all my money is going to zero unless it actually is. And unlike all the other YouTubers, they don't share with you their real balance. Well, look here, I do exactly that. That's all my money. And I've got that. I've also got my Roth IRA. So together I have $37,000, and I have $1,500 in my checking account and $1,500 in my savings account. And I've shared that on the screen as well. And I have no debts, no loans. All my money is here. So I am sharing with you my real journey. This portfolio was built from $5,000 live in front of you, 10 hours a day. I don't just make videos for clickbait to get you to watch. I build a community. Other YouTubers build their bank accounts selling videos that you watch. I, however, invest in myself and invest in you, the community. That's what I am doing. And hopefully that'll get me the best YouTube channel, the most honest YouTube channel, not the biggest. And then because I'm focusing on the best, it'll become the biggest by default. If you focus on people rather than the money will take care of itself. So if you're interested in being part of our challenge, have a look below in the description of this video. But I'm telling you right now, if you think that you can buy a crypto coin right now and expect it to go to $1 million by the end of the year because some guy on YouTube told you, yes, I'm going to use the word, you are stupid and lazy. And I use those words confidently because no one gets rich for doing nothing. You might get lucky for doing nothing, but it wasn't an investment. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay. Let me just get rid of that ticker for a minute. Production, ticker. Okay. Let's do always positive. Unless there's something bad to say. It's not really bad. Crypto going down is when Ali buys up cheap crypto for me. So that's good for me. Let me bring on the ticker. Can we see the assets in your Coinbase? Yes, you can. That is all. It's not done yet, is it, Ali? There's nothing in there. It's just sitting there. Just as cash, basically. Basically, it's cash. 500, yeah, it's just basically USD, BDC, and dollars. It's just sitting there. Not doing anything. It's all asleep, doing nothing. Can we see the assets in your Coinbase? Renzori girl. Hello, Queen. How are you today? There you go. Same as the UK, says Bill. Everyone thinks this is a game. The Fed is here to kill it. Drones, how are you? Well, Feds declines to comment on the sides of the rate hikes. She favours the Fed's next at the Fed's next meeting. Depends on the hospital. Sounds like here. SPX dropped right off that long-term trend. Still valid. And I have veterans also free and no waiting. That's great, says Church. IMF chief economist, if Chinese growth exceeds the 4% mark, new global inflation risks emerge. Why has your Coinbase gone down in value? Why has my Coinbase gone down in value? I have no idea, Church. It was 113 a minute ago, wasn't it? Yeah, it's gone down. Why has it gone down? Well, obviously, because Bitcoin's gone down. That's why. Why has your Coinbase gone down in value? The BTC need to be changed to USDC. The BTC needs to be changed to USDC. Oh, I see. Ah, I see. Okay. Oh, I see. Oh, yeah. BTC. What, now? Or is it too late? That's why. Oh, yeah. See? That's how easy it is to lose your money. You told me to do that, didn't you? I think you told me yesterday. I never got around to doing it. Yeah, that's why it's gone down, of course. Just do it now before we drop below 1,000. Okay. Let me see if I can do it on the screen. So Bitcoin, what do I do? You want me to do it now, do you? What do I do? I've got no idea how I do it. Trade it. Convert BTC. What do you want me to USDC to from BTC to USDC? Yes, we show everything. Yeah, you don't get more honest than this. Oh, hang on. Why am I not showing it? Sorry, I haven't got on the blooming screen, have I? Okay. Hang on then. Sorry. Let me make a follow-up. Alec, I'm going to make a follow-up to this video, okay? Okay. Let me make a follow-up. This is an update to our previous video you just watched a few moments ago on Ali Tizro's tips, $1,000 to $10,000. That's our challenge. So this is my overall position here. It started at $1,000. We haven't yet purchased any of the assets yet. We haven't done anything yet. It's $1,000 to $10,000. We're waiting for Ali to give me the signal to do this. But what we do have is some Bitcoin here, and he's just told me get it out of Bitcoin because Bitcoin's going lower and go to the USD. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into Bitcoin. As you can see, it's going down, and Ali has just confirmed on the screen. Yes, we show everything. Here's Ali's comments. Here we go. Yes, we show everything, unlike any other channel on YouTube. And here we go. You're going to see me do it right now. Do it right now before it goes below $1,000. Yes, the BTC needs to be changed to USDC. There we go. So we're going to do it right now. So you're going to see me get out of Bitcoin right now on my challenge from Ali. So I'm going to go to trade and convert BTC to another crypto. Here we go. And this is it on the screen. And maximum USDC. That's what I've been told to do. So there we go. Maximum amount from BTC to USDC. Preview convert. All right, here we go. Okay, and it says pay with Bitcoin, exchange rate. There you go. 383, convert now. So I'm going to do it right now. Convert now. And there we go. You converted. There you go. Done. Live on the show in front of you. This is what we're doing here. No one is this honest on YouTube, right? And people say, how can you be so honest? Why would you share everything? Because the most important thing to me is the community. It's not the money. The money takes care of itself. And in fact, if I'd paid more attention to Ali, he did tell me to do that yesterday. So it's already gone down a couple of bucks, you see. I was actually at $1,300. If I'd paid more attention to Ali yesterday, I would still be at $113. Yes, I would have paid $3 or thereabouts for the fee, but I would still be up, about $10 from where I am now. So that was me not paying attention to Ali. So everything is real, everything is genuine. Follow us here on our show. Now, if you want to see more information of Ali Tizro's tips and the challenge between 1,000 and 10,000 or anywhere in between, if you want to do the same thing, all the information is shared on Ali's Discord and my Discord. Links are below. Click up here for the full playlist, and you can see everything in the series of those videos, and you can follow the entire journey. There you go. Just a quick update for you on our portfolio. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, there we go. Let me just update that. Thanks, Ali. I wish, bloody hell. I'm annoyed now. Lost $10. That's my fault. You did actually tell me yesterday to do that. I would be $10 up right now. Damn it. Never mind. That was me not paying attention. So, okay, let me do a thinking face. Okay, okay. That'll be in the series of Ali Tizro's tips, which is the challenge from $1,000 to $10,000. Ali says, don't worry, it's nothing in the grand scheme of things. I'll pay more attention next time. He's going, I did tell you, I mean, you've got me on your show as your crypto guru, and you're not paying attention. I can't help you. If you don't listen, that's your own bloody fault. Right. Oh, this is perfect. Perfect. We're getting some options here to buy some discounts. Looking like the bear market rate is over. Church was right about taking profits on space. No, it doesn't matter. It's a small amount. We've got all the buy orders ready to rock and roll. I don't mind about that. At all. Okay, that doesn't concern me at all. I'm looking to buy lower. Okay. So let me make sure my buying power. Let me just check it. $1,800 is in my buying power. Let's go through and make sure it's ready to rock and roll. So we need 330 on. We're not buying the S&P. We're not buying it. We've got 50%. We're not putting money into that right now. We don't need to. Okay. Virgin Galactic. We've got orders placed. To buy at 390. Long way to go. Below our all-time low. All right, that's there. Virgin Orbit, orders in place. Rivian, I don't need to buy any more. Am I down at all? I'm on a wash right now, so we're just holding that. Tesla, we have an order at 110. Long way down. So I'm ready to buy at 110. That's what we want. Drive it down. Lucid. I've got an order to buy at 620. A long way down. Apple. I'm not buying any Apple. Amazon. I'm not buying any Amazon. McDonald's. Yes, I am buying at 250. Still got a way to go. Coca-Cola. I want to buy. I've got Coke in my Roth. I want it here. I've got 10 shares at 59. Oh, 50 cents to 50 cents to no, 150 to go. Still expensive. It trades at 26 times earnings. Still expensive. It's a good dividend though. It's getting near my price. I've got a very small position. Let's have a look. It's down. Look at that on the week. On the month, it's down. 3 months, it's still pretty high though. We've got a little ways to go. Coca-Cola is getting better. Let's have a look at it over the year. The reason you can't comment is because only for information and alerts by me. You can comment on the general chat and welcome, etc. Oh, the reason you can't comment is because it's only for information and alerts by me. Oh, I see. No one can comment. Oh, I see. You can comment on the general chat and welcome. Let me just go and check that then, Ali. We are over the year. We're down 0.84. So we are trending down, getting close to where I want to buy Coke, actually. It's not going to go much lower. 59. It's not going to go much lower. What is it on my Roth? I've got 10 shares of it on my Roth at 61. I like it here. I don't think it needs to go to 59. It's trading at 26 times earnings, a good dividend, and that is, of course, backward looking. I think earnings could go lower. I wonder, actually, if I cancel that order and buy it here. I want to own Coca-Cola again. Cancel my order. Yes. Cancel my order and buy some here. I wonder if we're going to go any lower on Coke. Remember, it's a granddad stock. It doesn't really get sold off in the same way. It's over the year, it's trending down again. It's been as low as 54. I don't know if we're going to go there again. I think we've got a couple of months and then we're going to start seeing an upswing. If you look over the 5 years, we're in a dip. It doesn't tend... It tends to sort of, you can see it trends. I think it's a good time to buy Coke, actually. I'm going to buy a bit there. Limit order. 60. 56. Whoops. 58. I just need to get that quick. How much have I got? $600. 10. Yeah. There we go. I want that on my portfolio. 10 shares. Nice. A nice position. 1.86. Good. Stability of my portfolio. I like that. That's good. I'm happy with that. Happy with that. Because I got more money coming in the answer to your question 22, why am I buying here? I've got more money coming in the next couple of days, and then I'm going to increase. I'd like 30, 40 shares of Coca-Cola. I'm going to set a lower limit to bring them up, to bring the percentage down in the next sort of 4 days, 5 days. Look at the year chart, Martin, or longer. I did look at it, and I like it. I look at these dips, and it looks like the bottom again. I like it. I'm quite happy with that. Plus the dividend, I'm quite happy with that. I don't mind if it goes 0.5% lower. I really don't. I'm quite happy with that. Where is Coke over 12 months? 12 months, it's down 0.84. It's down over 12 months. I'm okay with that. I think that's good. Anyway, let's have a little look here. It was private content for member that you should shown, but feel free to share the chart you had up already. But now that you have show the content, you can share that chart for the channel so they can see what I think. It was a private content for members that you shown, but I feel free to. It was a private content for members that you shown, but feel free to share that chart you had up already. Not 100% certain what you're saying there, Ali. I just want to check. You said to me, share the teasing channel. So let me just go to your channel now. And you said I can chat in welcome all. No, I can't. I didn't think I could. General chit chat and welcome. No, I can't, Ali. No, I can't. See? Look, this is your welcome all. Welcome all. I can't chat in here. See? I can't chat in here. In the welcome all. There's another welcome new members. Do you mean in there? Oh, I can chat in welcome new members. If that's what you mean. I can chat in there. And general chit chat, I can chat in there. Okay, so I can chat in the text channels, but not the information channels. Is that correct? If that's what you want, that's fine. It's your server. Whatever you need is good by me. I had a stock pop up in my dashboard, CBDW. I have never heard of it. I couldn't find information on it. It really baffled me. Today it's up 1,300%. Bloody hell. I still don't know why it showed up on my dashboard unless it's part of another stock I already own. Why are you buying here? It says 22. Yay, Crag. Very nice. Yes, Crag, I just... 4-month milestone. Do you think average prices are important, Martin? Mathematically, if you sell and buy back even pennies cheaper than price, you're better off even if you go red. Do you think average prices are important? Let me just bring this up. We had this comment a moment ago. Crag. Where was it? Can't show it on the screen. I don't think I can share it. Yeah. No, do you think average prices are important? Mathematically, if you sell and buy back even pennies cheaper than price, you're better off even if go red. I'm not 100% certain of your comment, honestly. Remember, average prices, all of this stuff is just a guide. Most of it is just a guide, not for entertainment purposes, but a guide. There's much, much more to it than just the average prices. Remember, if you sell something, it doesn't adjust your average price. It only really works if you're buying and never selling. If you sell something, it doesn't go, oh, you've sold these shares, let me just adjust your average cost. It doesn't. It's only when you're buying. So the average price is not the Bible, right? It's not 100% reliable, if you like. It's not. Don't just live on it and think, well, my average is coming down, so I'm getting richer. It's more to it than that. At least it's fairly recession-proof. I know. I like to own Coke. I think it gives stability in my portfolio. It provides a decent dividend, which I reinvest, not automatically. It's an income that comes in, and then I deploy it when the stock goes lower. But that's how I handle that. I believe it's relatively recession-proof, yes. What price do you plan to buy Virgin, as it may not go to previous lows again? Let's have a look. Okay, so I have got it set at the moment for 390. I still believe that could go to 390. That's 26% drop. I do believe that. However, I don't mind. I don't have to own thousands of shares. I know I've aspired to, and I want to, but, you know, in balance of portfolio, I can make money in other places. I'm not going to overpay for something just to get, you know, stocks on the board. I can make money in other things. I don't have to own anything. Anyway, it's worth just making that point. You did show the private trade setups channel. I'm saying now you have already shown it. Please share the trade setup channel again so people understand the reason I'm not buying. Okay. So Ali, so I can be clear, on your channel, you only want me to share the Tease channel. Is that correct? The Tease channel. I don't want to share anything until I'm sure. For example, if you sell 100 shares at $1 and buy back a few cents cheaper, you will have more shares. I mean, although it drops further. Yes, correct. Yes, absolutely. Sometimes you sell in the red and lose money because you know it's going to go lower and buy it back for cheaper. Yes, absolutely. Remember, you only lose money when you walk away and not return. If you sell for a loss and then buy it back cheaper, yes. Ali said, yes, only tease and welcome. Yes, only tease and welcome. Okay. But now you can show the trade setup you've shown already. Which channel is that? Which channel is the trade setup? Which channel is the trade setup, Ali? I want to be clear. I don't want to get anything wrong. Which channel is that? From now on, I'll just share tease and welcome, okay? Right. Virgin Galactic down 9%. Charts and trades. Okie dokie. Charts and trades. Okay. All right. You want me to share this on the screen? I will share it. There you go. Means nothing to me. Never understand this stuff. I kind of do, but I like to say I don't. I just don't find it interesting. This isn't for me. This is for you. And I'm just being told what to do by Ali, and that's fine. That's part of our project. There is the charts and trades he would like me to share with you. As you can see, all the analytics, all the charts, all the lines, the binky bonks have all been drawn on the screen for you. All the price targets are set here for you. This is for you to benefit from. It's not something I even want to bring into my mind and confuse myself with. Even though I understand the principle of it, I went all the way at mathematics, by the way, at school and college and university. I understand the principles. I just don't like to fill my head. Otherwise, I wake up at 3 in the morning dreaming of this stuff, and I don't sleep well. I don't want that in my brain. Who wants that in their head? Who wants that in their head? Does that make sense, everybody? This is the Ali's comment was so again, people understand my reason I'm not buying crypto right now. There you go. That is the reason why Ali is not buying crypto right now. Everybody make sense? Everybody happy? Good. I'm bloody glad to hear it. All right. We haven't quite got 100 likes yet to give away a cash prize. Let's bring everybody up to date with a commercial break, and then we'll do day trader of the day. You ready? Okay, here we go. Let's see you back in 10 seconds. Skip the ad, and when we come back, I've got a big surprise. Well, not a surprise, just repeating my surprise. I'm excited about this tonight. Anyway, see you back in 10 seconds. Here we go. If you are a YouTube subscriber and a member, you can be in one of these spaces here, and you can have your business or whatever promoted in this space. Fantastic. Right then. Now, tonight in the show is the world premiere of me singing with Sir Paul McCartney. And in fact, I was able to get it pretty close that Sir Paul McCartney would be singing with my voice. I'm very excited about you seeing this, and I hope you'll loop the playlist. It's called Paul McCartney 2023. And here it is. This is it tonight. Paul McCartney 2023. It goes live tonight. Shall we have a quick look and see who's set up to watch it? Let's have a look. See if anybody's left a comment. See Sir Paul McCartney behind me. There he is. 4 likes already. Awesome stuff. Any comments? Let's have a look. Let's sort the comments. See who's left a comment. Of course, we're still looking for our fan of the year for 2023. Mike, I will be there again. Bill, I will. Leah, and Bill again. Excellent stuff. There it is. That's tonight. Hopefully you'll join me in 4 hours after the closing bell tonight. There's Sir Paul McCartney, and he sings with me. I'm really proud of this one. I hope you like it. It's only a short one, and then I'll hope you'll loop it and include the hashtag Lucas Loopers or Lucas Aids on your social media and share it and make it go viral. All right. Oh, I'm going to read this out as well. Ali would like me to read this statement as well. Total market cap has seen a strong bounce at the 2017 cycle top. We are watching to see if we get rejected from the 200 MA. That's the moving average. If we break that, we are going to see how we react at the green rectangle. Love all this stuff. I think we will get rejected at one of those points and make new lows. That's what this chart was demonstrating. Let me share with you again. So there you go. That's just the statement I just made was on this chart here. Makes sense, everybody? Okay, great. Excellent stuff. No need to be sorry, Ali. Just a suggestion that you obviously know it inside out since you created it. Flutter edits. Me, big, sad, darn inflation made me down on almost everything. Flutter edits. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You're not retiring today, are you? Time to buy some dips. Looks like the market is focusing more on possible recession rather than inflation for a change. Thank you. Just want no confusion. Absolutely, Ali. That's what this channel is all about. Absolutely right. We don't want any confusion. Right. I've still got $1,200. Let me share with you. I've still got $1,200 ready to be deployed. Should we get any crashes? This was 22 suggestion. Add more cash. I've got more money coming in 3 days. About $1,000 coming in 3 days. I had 500 yesterday or 700. I forget what it was now. But anyway, we've still got $1,200 left to spend. It's set to deploy. It's set to be spent on crashes, on things coming down below my all-time lows. Okay. If we are having a bit of a downturn at the minute, yes, we are. Any options on selling? Any options on Tesla earnings? Any options? I don't do options trading. I only just buy the straightforward stocks. I'm not an options trader. I don't like it. I don't see any benefit to it for me. Hello, investors. Neptune, how are you? But yes, only share the teas and welcome from now. I'll be posting more trades for my members. Okie dokie. Got ya. Got ya. I will be doing that from now on. Ali Tizro. Excellent stuff indeed. The S&P 500 is dropped. Still above, so I'm not adding any more. Virgin Galactic down 9%. AMV is a big crash. This is why I'm out of the stock right now. I've only got a small position. Everybody went, why have you only got 200 shares? I thought you were bull for Virgin Galactic. Well, yeah, it's going to go down again before it goes up. Just like Ali's not jumping all over crypto right now because it popped up. If you were watching Cryptos Are Us, a BitBoy, you're buying it all. It's all going up. Well, we don't do that. That's not what we're about, and we never will be. And a lot of people don't like that. They want the rah-rah. Well, there's no rah-rah here. Now you lost profit. Doesn't matter. You could have sold and bought back. Well, yes, I could. But on $200, I'd pay 20% capital gain because I only bought it a few weeks ago. So I'd pay $40 in taxes on it. What is the point? I got no interest. I'm glad you got me out of my Bitcoin, Ali. Should have called me earlier, though. To be fair, Ali did tell me ages ago. He told me the day we set it up, said, transfer your Bitcoin to what's it face? USDC. He did tell me that. I didn't listen. Tomorrow it might go up a little. I love it when Bitcoin falls on these nerds. Yes, indeed. Why would you pay 20% in tax? Is that the rate in Texas? Yes, of course it is. It's the rate in anywhere in the country. Capital gains tax is 20% on your profits. Absolutely right. Of course, there's more to it. Deduct your deductions. How much expenses you've got, how much money you made, blah, blah, blah. That's why I can't give tax advice. Everyone's situation is their own, very, very different. But anyway, I didn't pay 20%. Well, maybe you don't earn enough money to reach the 20% limit. Maybe you're in a lower tax bracket than me. I have no idea. Everyone's situation is different. I'm just giving the general thing. Move to Guernsey, no capital gains tax at all. Yeah. Yeah, but if I do that, 22, I can't be a member of my own channel. That's no good, is it? Amazon. Right, we're going to wrap up the show. I've got some videos to put out. So, tonight, the world premiere. I hope you'll all be there. I actually sing with Sir Paul McCartney. Did everyone see my video last night? The Dire Straits one. Did everyone leave a comment and like it and share it? I hope you did. Tonight it's Let It Be. I hope you'll join me for Sir Paul McCartney on the screen. I like this one. Pretty good. Even on stock, says Crag. We've got 5 likes there at the moment. Please share it on your socials. Martyn is God, says Neptunian. Martyn is God. There you go. Don't mess with me. Neptunian has said it. Martyn is God. Yes, on everything. That's why people live there. That's why 22 lives there. He's got $10 trillion gazillion dollars and he doesn't pay any taxes on anything. And whatever he makes, he keeps it. It's brilliant. There you go. Anyway, time to get out of here. Day trader of the day. How many likes have we got on the video? If you're watching this on repeat, click subscribe, ring the bell, make sure you thumbed up the video. 242 through the video. That's good. That's our target, 200 a day. That's all we want. And we've done 243. Our subscribers are 6,106. We lost one person unsubscribed, went, I don't like this anymore. And that's fair enough. 49 likes. Very good. Low cost, but cost of living is ridiculous. There you go. You gain one thing, you lose another, right? All right. That's what it's all about. Okay. Everybody happy? Day trader of the day. Let's roll the credits. Let's get out of here. Oh, sorry. Roll the credits. You've got to do day trader of the day first, haven't we? So I'm down right now. I've been up every day and I was up earlier. I'm down 0.8%. There you go. Let's give everyone a minute on the clock, and then we'll get out of here. Are you ready? When you start posting your scores, I shall bring it up. Let's wait for everyone to start posting. Waiting for the scores to come in. When I get the scores in, I will... Here we go. Oh my gosh. Hey, look at this. Family Squad. 7.48. Down 1.54. I win. Flutter edit. Lovely. Lovely stuff. Family Squad 7.48. Down 1.23, says Crag. 7.48 is the winning score at the moment. 30 seconds to go. Seconds to go. Is anyone going to beat that? Put your scores in now. Let's have a quick look. 51 likes. Wow, there we go. We broke the 51. Awesome stuff. If we get to 100 likes, we give away a cash prize giveaway. Running out of time. Oh, Dave Mottram is down 6.45. Ouch. Dave. How are you, by the way? You were going through chemotherapy earlier. How you feeling these days? I backed out of the 1350 because I have no idea what it is, and I didn't add cash to the account. Dave, you win down 6. This competition is for who's up, not who's down. Maths is cruel. 0.8% down is more money than 0.8% up was. That ain't right, is it? 22. How is that right? The house always win. You know that, right? There you go. 7.48. We have a winner this afternoon, this morning, this evening, wherever you are around the world. Give him a thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up, and let's give him the sound effects. Okay. Awesome stuff. Congratulations. Right, let's roll the credits. Let's get out of here. Why is the market down? Why is the market down? Well, because we are heading towards potentially a recession. That's good. It means the Fed is winning, but it does mean the earnings season coming up around the corner means stocks will go down. It means expectations will be lowered, and then the bull market will come the next quarter because the expectations will go down, will beat expectations, and this is good. The Fed are winning. The rates will start to come down. This is the last leg down before the leg up. So you're buying the dips, you're setting your all-time lows, you're buying your all-time low positions. That's exactly what you want to do. Thank you, Ali, by the way, for spotting my Coinbase and telling me to jump out of Bitcoin and put it in USDC. Great. Thank you for doing that. I wish I'd done it earlier. You were spot on again there. Anyway, let's roll the credits. I'll see you back in a bit. The last leg down, says Church. Yeah, why not? Why not? Why not? But why not say that? All right. Okay, let's roll the credits. Let's get out of here. See you back this afternoon. don't forget to join me for the closing bell. Who are the stars of our show today? Thanks for your support. Who's the winner? Tony Mallion is the winner on TikTok today. Let me just share that quickly. Tony Mallion won again today on TikTok. Rock and roll, Tony Mallion. There he is. Look, #1 fan. I thought Bill was going to win. No, hang on. Oh yeah, Tony. Oh, he's become a subscriber. Right, Tony, at the end of this video, I'll make a video for you. I'll put your channel on this screen. Look out for it. In about an hour from now, I'll upload it, tag you in it. It'll be on your channel, and you can use it as promotion. I will invite everyone to join you as a follower. Great, I will do that. Thank you for being a fan, a supporter, and all the rest of it. You get exclusive content, plus that ad I'll make for you in a few minutes. Right, let's go back to my portfolio. I'm running out of time. Members, Brickmark became a member today, and Crag, they celebrated their memberships. And what else? Have a good afternoon. Don't forget, here's the world premiere. Tonight in the closing bell. My channel needs 500 more watch hours. We're not there yet. Click a loop. Do a Lucas Looper. Thanks for your support. Thanks to everyone. Brickmark. In the meantime, take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now.